time is. Slowly tracing his face, but strangely he feels at home in this place.
Ain't got enough room, gotta keep a few tricks up there. Caltech switch with the solid kid, gotta keep it on cause the kids upstairs. Shut the fuck up when a real nigga talking. Shut the fuck up when a real nigga walking. I know they type when a little nigga log in, then we roll up now. Stephen Hawking. I don't play games, I go outside. I don't say names, I go outside. I ain't tryna scream in the club, make a scene. There's a lot of phone screens, let's go outside. Big bank channel, my chain got a chain. In the rafters, my name got a hang. I'm the only rapper, my lane got a lane. But fuck it, I'm swerving, my swing got a lane. You so scared, I'm about to pull my cars out. About to pull my bars out. You don't know I'm about to pull the stars out. You so worried about some charge. You so worried, oh my god. You don't know I'm about to pull the stars out. Took my rollie up, Bannock, burn, got room. I keep a few whips up there. Big safe, keep a few clips up there. Neighbor's wife smacking her lips upset. Guess she mad cause she bought that house and she didn't know it'd be niggas up there. Guess she ain't getting them big bucks yet. Kanye, Uzi, big shrug, yep. I'm just here with a family of two trying to plan me a coup. Can you hand me a brew? Please understand cause the flights to the plan was Japan, me and you, but Miami a do. I got more gold on than a Grammy or 2 or 3 or 4. I done had me a few, but I drop a few jewels when I'm back in the land cause the diamond demand and remind me of you. You so scared I'm about to pull my cars out. About to pull my bars out. You don't know I'm about to pull the stars out. You so worried about some charge. You so worried, oh my god. You don't know I'm about to pull the stars out.
It's cozy in here. I don't want to leave.
Been here for a while, what's the question? I don't wanna talk to your best friend. I don't gotta lie, pick the best one, I'm done. I spend all my time on the best bitch. Nice try, 2 times, how you miss like this? It's low tide, cut ties, threads all on my wrist. I'm tricked up, no fun, catch sweat in my fist. Pick it up, got the 20 with that lifestyle. Couple bucks in my pocket, make it worthwhile. Any up on my chips, yeah, guess we got one thing through. Looking back on the timeline, been here for a while, it's the question. I don't got a lot but my best friends. I'ma make a knot out of loose ends. I spend all my time on the best bitch.
Hello, chat. Welcome on in. Hi, everybody. Oh my gosh. I look a little different today. I look a little different. I look older. Like I did. Chewy horn? Yeah, chewy horns. It's me. Hi. It feels really weird. Like, this model feels like very stiff compared to the one I was using, but I was showing it to Yuva today and Yuva convinced me that it was time to pull it out. So you can thank Yuva for that when the time comes. I'm sure she'll be around at some point today. Speaking of, I have to give her the junior mod title in my Discord. Junior mod. Damn, I haven't looked at this mod chat in so fucking long. God damn. Hey, Bike, what's going on, dude? Welcome on in. Bum. Who can see all these logs? Oh, everybody. God dang. It's so funny that I have every fucking Discord message from like the last like I don't know couple months saved in this bitch. It's crazy. Sup. Oh wait, I'm on the wrong Discord. Sup. You're muted, by the way. Krispy Kreme on Wednesday?
Yes.
That's fire.
I am.
You sure are. Wait, I have to
Did you
fix
get into chat? Did you log into stream and then check how long I've been following for?
Yeah, I did. Well, we were talking about I was talking to Yuva about Jesus, this shit's so fucking loud. I was talking to Yuva about how long she had known like one of her like main mods. And so I was just going back to figure out exactly how long you've been following, because I was telling her about how you came in during like a Disco Elysium stream. Because she was like, I don't even remember when I met this person. And I was like, I remember exactly how I met Fox.
Yep. Yeah, I was just checking out streams to check out a game, see if I wanted to buy it.
Yeah. What a life.
Bum. I still have yet to play that game.
You should. It's good.
I'm not even sure I fucking bought it. I don't even know.
It's a great game. I mean, you know, it's
It
a great
is.
game.
Yeah, it's supposed to be amazing. I just never got around to it.
Amaterasu.
Well,
Not the Fugies.
here we go. I am in Valorant.
Okay. I am getting there.
I don't know if you're doing that right this second or not. But
Yeah, I'm coming. Hi, Celeste. Welcome on in. How are you? Meow.
I am exactly where I thought I was
Oh, in Final Fantasy.
Final Fantasy. After watching those videos last night, and I logged in just now, I'm exactly where I thought I was.
Really?
Yep. Yep. Yeah. I think I got my hotbars figured out to where it makes sense, sort of.
Let's go. Oh my
But I'm
god.
like,
Sorry.
no, I was just gonna say I'm like pretty sure I'm like coming up on the final boss fight of Heaven's Word.
Yeah, I
And
think
that's
I remember you
what's-
being close to the end.
Yeah, that's real bad because I don't know how to play my character.
Honestly,
I kind of do. Now,
listen,
but-
here's my advice to you. Go out into a field and start attacking shit. Watch how the bars
Yeah.
light up. And then after that, go do dailies. Do your leveling and your trial to get your XP and shit and some gil. And then once you go through those, you're gonna remember like how to do your basic rotations and shit. I think you'll be okay.
I don't know what you mean by dailies, but I did kind of go out into the field and fuck with some enemies. Just a
Yeah.
little bit
So
ago.
when you pull up your duty finder, the first page of the duty finder is going to have a lot of things that you can do for you can do once a day for additional rewards. One of them is called leveling, one of them is called trial, and then there's some other ones, and they usually run you through like a low level dungeon, and you do it, and I think it's mostly to like help people that are running those dungeons that don't have people running them, because no one's running the fucking level 30 dungeon or whatever. But you get a shit ton of XP for doing it and resources, and it'll help you kind of like in a low stakes environment learn how to play your character again.
Yeah.
What's your class?
Summoner?
I don't remember if that's super complicated or not.
It is.
That's exciting.
It is. It's like one of the most complicated.
I kind of lucked out because I fucking switched to Reaper,
Yeah.
and Reaper is like, make sure you're behind them, press the same 7 buttons in a row over and over and over.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very much, if you're in this situation, do this. 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 If you're in this situation, do this.
Yeah.
So, yeah. It's but I think it's coming back to me.
Fuck yeah. I appreciate that, Celeste. Thank you for stopping in. I hope you have a good rest of your night. Get some eep. Work at 3 a.m. is crazy, by the way. I'm so sorry.
Doing what?
I don't know. Something bad.
Yikes. Yikes. Oh, sounds scary.
Oh, so you probably got to go in to do all the prep work, huh?
Oh, dope. I bet that's fucking rewarding though.
Honestly, yeah. I mean, like working in a bakery is one of those things that people romanticize like crazy, right?
Mm-hmm. I mean, baked goods. What else do you want?
Yeah, I mean, waking up and getting to smell the beautiful shit you make, and then like get to look at it. I mean, oh my god.
Mm-hmm.
Match found.
Now I want some bread.
That's what I'm saying. I want some baked goods.
I am kind of hungry.
I need to order dinner.
Yeah, so do I. Maybe after this game we take a break and order.
Yeah. I'm gonna either be really great or really ass with this mouse. I'm not sure which yet.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
If it's a Corbo bakery, so like pretty good. It means my pay is good. I mean, as long as the pay's good and you get to bake, I don't.
Kind of a corpo bakery. Maybe if like a Walmart or for like a Baker's or something like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna bite you.
Like a
Well, I
chain.
ate lunch late is the thing. I worked hard today, and I got to my lunch like dead ass probably 2-3 hours later than normal. So I got home and I wasn't hungry.
This is just when I normally eat dinner.
Honestly, yeah, I was telling my parents the other day that this is about when I usually do that. And my mom was like, I'm worried about you. And I'm like, don't be. It's literally just I eat my dinner late. I don't know what to tell you.
Yeah, it's not anything serious.
My bad.
So we bake, decorate, and cook the next day.
Shipped out for, oh, I
Oh,
see. Yeah.
What?
Oh,
what the fuck?
Gun here.
Yeah, why do we have 4 people at A?
This gun got Siri in it.
your mom's about to have me in it. Sorry, I didn't mean that.
A.
Multiple enemies
Spike down A.
Enemy spotted.
Brim Sunset for
player
51.
standing. What? No, my blind would hit. Spike planted.
Oh my god. I didn't even hit her.
I'm fast.
Take large amounts of food and feed you for hours. My mom
That's
is the
hilarious.
whitest fucking woman I think I've ever met. Down to falling for scams on Facebook and falling for AI propaganda all over the fucking place. And she does the same shit. She makes so much fucking food. There's 2 of us in this house, 3 including her, and she fucking cooks like you'd think she's feeding like 7. It's crazy. You must eat. Okay, have a good eat. Uh-oh. Well, big time eco, baby.
Thanks.
Shit, they're coming garage.
Enemy spotted. C. Spike's here.
Spike down mid.
Phoenix is lit up.
Blinding cracked. Blinding.
Spike.
No way. Does that not bang that wall?
Player standing. One
Got to be
enemy
kidding
remaining.
me. Doesn't help that I was aiming at his fucking knees.
Oh, you know, I hit him 3 times with my classic and did 30 damage. That's 10 points a shot. Ooh, you're better.
He was lit up. I hit him for 88.
Okay, that's just growing pains. Growing pains. I gotta get my Vandal. I'm doing great. I told this guy I was gonna fuck his mom and he never said another word.
He's afraid.
Yeah. I domed the fuck out of this guy. It was kind of wild. Wait, how the fuck
We
am
are
I?
ready for them.
Ah.
Now we wait. Rip and tear.
C-Long.
I am getting
ready yet.
rocked in these games. These guys are just like one peek, one shot me in the head.
Horns
This is
activated.
fucking ridiculous. I had the same problem last night.
One enemy remaining.
Rip and tear.
Spike down. C.
Thorns are alive.
Nice.
I'm a Super Saiyan. This mouse is crazy.
Last round before the switch.
I feel it. I
sense
feel
in
the
saving
power
now.
coursing through me. I have accuracy.
Enjoy the arsenal.
You know how fucked up it would be if this whole time there was something wrong with my final mouse and I fucking switch over to this finally and I start doing crazy and I'm like, the fucking world opens up to me.
He's a god, chat.
It's kind of like I was training in a fucking hyperbolic time chamber.
Now we wait.
The weights were on, now they're unshackled.
Exactly.
Flash placed.
It's you and me.
Retrieving flash.
Okay. Power of the horns. You're right. I'm returning to form.
Get out of my way!
Enemy spotted A.
Irrelevant.
Spike planted.
Launching thorns. Thorns are alive. Blinding crack. Not ready yet.
One enemy
Ultimate's ready.
remaining.
Bring me the arsenal! There.
Oh, it's cake. It's fucking cake!
Reloading. Switching sides.
Switching sides.
We got this.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up. You damn right.
I think C-Long is a trap, always.
I think so.
Yes. I think it's impossible to push.
Move.
Enemy spotted B. Reloading. Spotted B.
Enemy spotted me.
Behind me.
Oh my god, wait, I got tapped in the fucking head.
Cutting their vision.
Here. Here.
Enemy and attacker.
One enemy remaining.
Oh,
Looks like I was the stronger one. For you,
let's
reloading.
go. He was poked in the soft spot. I was.
Match point. They're looking hard.
Thumbs up. Oh, I guess we're. Oh, never mind. She came back.
Don't give them any chances.
Oh.
Blinding crack. Not ready yet. Spikes down.
He's a Phoenix. Nope, he's
Down
dead.
A. Destroyed.
Multiple enemies A.
Last player standing.
Oh, damn. Hold up with that Parkinson's aim.
Stay alive. I want their life, not yours.
I love this map, but it feels like every route but B is a trap. I
Yeah.
agree about C, but I think A is too. It never works for me. You have to push through so much shit just to get onto the point in A.
Hello. I'll take point. Together.
No.
There. Punching thorns. Thorns activated.
Kia. Gun here. Spike planted. Watching here. Enemy spotted C. Here. Enemy spotted A. Bye.
One enemy remaining.
Healing. Reloading.
We did it!
We did
Attackers
it.
That's one way of getting what you want, I suppose. I'll take it.
God, I'm so good at this game. I say comfortably third on the leaderboard, right in the middle. And I didn't even get my fucking event pass done. What the fuck?
Are you queuing us up?
Yeah. Oh, right. We're going to order food, right? Hmm. Ooh. Got the heebie-jeebies.
Uh-oh.
What do I want for din? What is open this late? That sounds good. Everything opens at oh, everything closes in a minute. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. And it's like everything.
Oh, no.
This is a goddamn disaster. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-da. I wish they'd quit showing me groceries and shit on my DoorDash. I don't care. Get it out of my fucking face, bro.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, I'm looking for fucking Best Buy when I'm scrolling DoorDash. That's absolutely what I fucking want. Ah, fuck. Culver's Butterburgers. I had McDonald's for lunch today, but Chipotle's open.
Yeah, they
$5 off
about
on
10.
20. Oh, I'm getting a burrito. You're a Butterburger? What the fuck does that mean?
Damn.
A Butterburger. I'm a Butterburger.
That's fucking rude.
What does that mean? Brown rice, black beans, cheese, lettuce, queso, chicken. Sounds good to me. Oh, la, la, la. Wish I knew what you are. I respect it. I respect it. Chapes and chapes? What the fuck is a chape? Chips in this fucking gross ass queso. I'm down. Saving $5 with deals, baby. La Herradura. Hug John Silver's soaping.
Hell yeah.
Okay. Qdoba is closed, so Chipotle it is. Damn, this is the only time I'm about to get Chipotle on DoorDash where it's fucking halfway affordable.
I had Chipotle for about $20.
My burrito is $15.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I think it's a regional thing. Like, I think certain Chipotles crank their shit up more than others. Mine's always been really expensive. And it's not anything crazy either. It's just chicken with, like, basic shit in it.
Yeah. Our Chipotle is right across the street, though, so that has something to do with it.
Bring me my Chipotle. Bring me my Chipotle. Chapes? Yeah. What the fuck is a chape? Order. William. Fetch me my Chipotle. I don't know what it is in my DoorDash, but every time I order some food, it fucking puts my ass in Denmark. It fucking opens up Denmark.
Do
and
you
it's
have a VPN?
No. Oh, well, I guess iPhones have like the private relay thing built in, so maybe, but I thought that was only through Safari.
No idea.
I'm putting my ass in Malmo. Hell yeah. It scares me every time because I'm like, did I just order some fucker in Denmark, some Chipotle? Hey, what's good, R? What's that?
Means they have Chipotle in Denmark.
I don't know. It'd probably be pronounced like, I don't even know. Like,
yeah. Probably be careful there.
You think so?
Probably.
I don't even know. What do they sound like in Denmark? Your 1 hour stream made me lose my 10-day watch streak. That sucks. That sucks. Also, for your information, it was like an hour and a half. So
it was.
Are you ready to queue up again?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm doing okay. I'm chilling. How are you, buddy? It feels like it's been a minute. It is old Kyle. Hi, Yuva. How'd your shower go?
Match found.
I want you to know that your stream single-handedly set Fox off on a Final Fantasy fucking tangent.
It did it. It gave me everything I needed.
He was telling me the other day, he's like, I was watching that shit at the beginning of Heaven's Word on Yuva's stream, and he was like, and it sent me.
Well, I mean, we had so much fun with that game. It's easily like one of the best, if not the best MMO ever. Like, I mean, it's hard to not put it in that category for several reasons. It's got its problems, but I just kind of forgot how deep I got sucked into that story. And just nothing that I've been playing lately. Throne and Limbo didn't hit it, and PoE didn't hit it, and there's just been something I'm looking for, and literally watching 20 minutes of Final Fantasy 14 content went, that's what it is. That's what I'm fucking missing. I'm fucking missing that immersive story that I don't know, man. That's what I've been,
Was mid. Honestly, I thought the same thing, but
I think it's a beautiful game, and I love the gameplay. Story is non-existent.
Yeah.
And I mean, the story's fine, but
Also, Saturday night is boys' night, so Cards Against Humanity doesn't work for me. How about Friday? Just got that charm.
Just got
That's
that
crazy.
charm. That was it.
Friday
Charm
works for me?
bicycle.
Okay, Friday works for me if we want to do Friday. Okay, let's plan for Friday. I'm down.
Reload.
Drink a little bit. Some Cards Against Humanity.
I love Cards Against Humanity. It's so good. Food time.
Owning tech VTuber in the flesh. Blue Horns. Yeah, return to form. Isn't it crazy? Watch this. From downtown. Oh, tagged. Come on, pussy. Beak me.
Been beacon down. Launching smoke.
Behind us, maybe?
Yeah, it's possible.
Yep, I see him.
One enemy remaining.
Oh, don't kill me! Okay, I made it.
Back soon.
Right here.
There.
Bag and tag.
Paint.
Dun, dun, dun,
Charges.
dun,
To
dun.
revert, I was just telling him that you were telling me that we were talking about it, and so I switched to it because you convinced me. Say hi for now because my bitch ass still working, bro. You're always working. That's crazy, but you're making that bread. And you know what? You're getting your money up, not your funny up. And I'm proud of you.
Yeah, same.
Good. That's the second time you've made that joke today, Yuba. One more time, and you get your fucking emo card revoked.
Up and away. Somebody's there. Enemy A. Reloading.
Or you literally have the bomb.
Smoke's
Come
down.
along. Come along, little man. I got your back.
Launching smoke. You're done.
Wingman's gonna plant spike.
One enemy remaining.
Spike stick. Thanks, little man.
Grenade.
Someone is A.
Let's go. I'll ban you from your own stream? Yeah, good luck. Good luck.
Damn.
You wouldn't ban me anyway. You like me too much for that.
Damn. Oh,
Chomp, chomp. Chomp, 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 chomp.
oh, all right.
Oh. What? What's happening?
Hit him when you're not looking.
What?
My mouse isn't turning.
Oh,
What's happening?
good thing you bought a razor.
Oh, no, my game just started lagging like crazy. That was wild. Did you say it's because I bought a Razer? That's fucking crazy. I do have it cranked all the way to 8K, though, and I've heard that makes issues in some games.
Enemy spotted. A.
Spike carrier's down.
My ultimate is ready.
Spike down A.
Everyone hiding.
Nightmare's over.
I'm stuck. Move.
Reloading.
Grenade. Bomb buddy out.
Molly.
Holy fuck, that Molly went crazy, and it got all of us.
Satchel out.
I had the fucking angle and I still lost. Oh, what's wrong with me?
Last player.
Oh, I fear I
What
just
the
dismounted the
fuck?
short bus. Oh no.
What even just happened?
Last round. In
I
the
can't
half.
believe. I don't want to talk about it. Let me loosen my helmet a little bit. That was kind of fucking crazy.
Let's go B.
I think I'm suffocating my last 4 brain cells.
It happens. My food's gonna be here in
Take these off.
That's crazy. My food's not even gonna be here for another like 30 minutes.
You want to play? Let's play.
I'll play.
Cutting through.
Ooh.
Enemy spotted. Molly.
Grenade!
Smoke's down. Reloading. Reloading. Smoke's down.
There we go. I fucking knew I'd find it. That's right, pussy.
Like butter, baby. That's ready.
Go get him.
Uh-oh. No,
One
can you
enemy
do?
remaining.
Nice.
Flawless.
You're going kind of crazy this game.
Oh, sometimes it just be like that, and then
Switching
sometimes,
sides.
or most of the time, I play like poop.
They want to dance?
Yeah, I feel that.
I'll leave.
Big donkey doo-doo.
Fuck, it's been long enough that I can't hop anymore. Fuck. Reminds me of something, does it?
Dun, 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 dun.
I don't know. Oh my god, it's doing it again. What is happening?
Not a good look for Razor right now.
Grenade!
Don't you ink me, you pussy?
Did you say something about getting icked or inked?
Inked. Oh my god! I'm terrified. Someone help, please. Wait, push out. They're looking at me. They're on the walkway. Oh, okay. One's long. Lane.
On the
Player
mat, there's
standing.
2 over there.
Link. You have a hairline fracture in your wrist? Is it from that time you went snowboarding and almost killed that family?
Pick something nice to kill them with. It's the least.
From the snowboarding? Yeah. That's penance. There's no way we're sending 4 people to be. I'm going A. Come to A with me, boy. You're gonna get on Sunday? Bro, you're about to turn that hairline fracture into a fucking gaping fracture.
Damn.
You know what? Fuck it. Go for it. YOLO, baby.
Bone out fracture? Gross.
Ew. No, there's no way I make that. Oh my god, they're fucking B again. It is what it is, you're damn right. You're goddamn right.
Enemy spotted B. They shot my wingman.
They're close. Yep. Fuck. I wish I could jump peek.
Grenade!
Yeah, it's like that. Enemy B.
Spike
Wolverine.
down.
Oh no!
Man,
Not with the
Fox
fucking
gives me that
Marshall!
Will
vibe.
not kill my allies.
Do you need me to say bub to make it more official?
Just rapid so minuscule. I didn't know I had it till 2 days ago. Honestly,
30 seconds left.
I don't know.
Come on, let's get these kills, bub.
player
What?
standing.
That was
That
not.
looked like me. That looked like Pete Fox Valorant gameplay. And it wasn't even me.
Okay, I'm gonna sit on my hands. They're getting a little cold. That's why we're losing.
I find them.
Is that what it
I
is?
kill them.
Yeah, I've got cold hands.
Simple as that.
They're
Well,
so
you-
cold.
You need to get one of those hand warmers.
Dude, I've got them. I just don't know what I did with them. I've even got a space heater over here that's in the box that I got for Christmas that I haven't plugged in.
That wouldn't take long.
No, it wouldn't. Or you could just come over here and hold my hands and make them better.
I fucking better wish I better. There be again. Oh, that was terrifying. What's his face? The sniper dude's lurking mid. What's his name?
Silva?
Yeah,
No, Cypher?
Someone's there.
The dude. Was it start with a C?
Cypher? No, not Cypher.
No.
Chamber.
Thank you. Got startled. You just shot that Pokemon.
I sure did. And I'd do it again.
That is wild behavior.
Ouch!
That guy didn't even check that corner. That was
Nope.
stupid.
What the fuck?
What?
Enemies are B.
30 seconds left.
Oh,
Okay, he scared me.
that was rude.
Valo more important, obviously. Wait, then what?
The guy didn't even ask you permission.
No, he didn't. He just came up and fucked me.
Look at no consent whatsoever in this game.
And stuck his fucking finger in my butthole like it was
10
nothing.
seconds left.
Saw you, little homie!
Last player standing.
Lucky for you, you're into that surprise.
Yeah?
Yeah,
How'd you know?
I know. I know. I know.
Don't knock it till you try it, loser.
Match point.
I wasn't knocking anything.
One step.
I'm just saying simply that I know.
What is going on? Is this a problem? Is this gonna be a fucking problem, Razor?
You want to play? Let's play.
Oh, he's gonna
They
hop
are
long.
definitely A.
Oh, JK,
A long.
I'm coming.
There's at least 2 or 3. They might be going back.
You think so?
God damn it, Chambers mid again. He's hit for 80 though. Oh, how is that
Spike
guy at the top
planted.
of our leaderboard?
Wait, they know I'm here. Uh-oh.
Here comes the party! Satchel out.
Last player standing.
No,
I threw that cue a little too far. You can tell I don't play
that
Raze.
was sad.
Yeah.
Time to jump.
I need to play more Raze so I can learn my fucking satchel spacing. This guy's not pulling this off, that's for
Oh
sure.
my god. I'm getting fucking walking and shooting with the Phantom.
Sudden death.
We're here because we're the
What Phantom
best.
skin do I have?
Don't any of you forget that.
Nah. Actually, how much would I have to sell to afford the operator? I'm gonna make it work. There's not 4 people at fucking B. Hi, Knuckle. I'm
Knuckle up.
hydrated. Well, come on in. What's up?
Bum, 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 bum. Knuckle punch. I like it.
Time to explode.
Did you see they're making a sequel to Sucker Punch?
I did not see that. Did you see they're making Ghost of Tsushima into an anime?
No.
Yeah.
did not.
Coming in 2027.
Like that.
They're also turning Horizon Zero Dawn into a movie.
That doesn't surprise me.
There's also one other one that was really big that I forgot all about.
Nightmare's over. Grenade.
Spike down B.
No, not behind me.
Last player standing.
Oh no! Wait,
Oh,
why do you
no
get back
way.
there?
Spike planted.
There's something different, but I can't quite place my finger on it. I got a haircut.
One enemy
Gunner.
remaining.
Oh, go defuse that shit. Go, you won the game! I'm so fucking proud of you. Come over here and put your tongue in my mouth.
Clutch.
Oh, sick.
Defenders
Dog
win.
now. Never had a doubt.
Well, that was fun.
You're like, well, that's enough Valorant. That was fun.
No, my food's here, actually.
Oh.
Yeah, food's here.
Hi, Milky.
BRB.
BRB. Oh my god, I got so much stuff. So many things. But hi, welcome on in. This bottle looks nice. Thanks. It's like more creative than the one I normally use. It's actually my it's my first actual model. I had one before this, but we don't really talk about it. And then I switched to one that I use now because it's got better face tracking and more features on it, and it's like rigged a bit better because you can see like moving this one around, it's kind of like stiff. But I think like in terms of like the character design, it's kind of like peak. It's a lot of people when they look at me, they see this because I used it for like a year. That and it's just really nicely done. It's very cool. How are you, Milky? I'm glad you're here. This motherfucker left me. Food, he says. Wait, where's my food at? All right, Dylan. Dylan, why the fuck are you taking the long route? My burrito's gonna be soggy and my chips are gonna be stale. And it's all gonna be your fucking fault, Dillster. It's fucked up. Chat, do I spend $54 on this fucking knife? I'll do it right now. As if I need more knives. How much money do you think that is?
All right, I'm back.
I don't really want to think about it. Welcome back.
I do have food that's gonna take both hands.
Yeah.
Do you know how far away your food is?
Well, it would normally be just a couple minutes, but Dylan decided he's gonna take the long route.
Okay, I'm gonna take like 10 minutes to eat.
Okay. Who's this cute? Oh my god, look at this cutie in my chat. What up, Jin? What's going on, brother? I was lurking in your other fucking why am I blanking? Neon White stream the other day. What are you up to, King? He needs more time to eat your burrito, but that's not funny. That's not funny. Because that's happened before. And it's happened on stream multiple times. I think you've literally been here, Ozzy, when it's happened. That people have like straight up stole my food. Just to stop where listen, Milky, I've heard in talks in passing that you do art, but I don't think I've ever seen any of your art. Do you post it anywhere? Anywhere that I could see? I'd love to see it. Thought it was kind of funny? Of course you thought it was kind of funny. Trying to finish up tomorrow. Are you almost done with it already? Open lobby? Maybe. Fox, are you down for people to join us? Or are you trying to just do both of us?
No, I'm down. Whatever.
Okay. Yeah, Jin, you can join us. Absolutely. Chat, one time, I don't know if it happened while I was streaming. I think it might have. I fucking ordered I ordered an order from somebody and they got it and it took forever. It like took ages for them to pick it up. I think that like there was some sort of shit they had to make fresh, so they had to wait. And they got all the way to my house, walked up to my door, took a picture of the door with, oh no, they held it in their hand and took a picture of it in front of the door, texted me food's free, and then walked away with it while I was live. Why you gotta text me food's free after you... That's incredible. Because I was just gonna do that. But, of course, the head mod taking care of it. Love that. Incredible. While he's eating, by the way. 2 goats in one room? You talking about you and Fox? So you, that's crazy. Not true. There have to be 3 goats in the room. Actually, there's a lot of goats in the room. It's kind of a farm in here. Bah. I think that's like a sheep, right? Man. See, there you go, man. Jin, you need one of these. Wait, Jin, you need one of these so bad. Wait, let me find it. Jin, you need one of these. What noise does the sheep make? Here, Jin, don't worry. This is for you.
English Sing Sing.
Animal sounds. Bee.
Bee.
Buzz.
Buzz.
Bees. Buzz. A bee makes a buzz sound. Cat. Meow.
Meow.
Cat. Meow. A cat makes a meow sound.
Meow.
Rooster. Cockadoodle.
I can't make that fucking sound. Chat, I'm not making that fucking sound. There's no way I make that sound. No, I'm not. Have you seen what that sound is? Try it. Listen to this.
Meow sound. Rooster.
It's just screaming. It's just screaming. That's crazy. I'll play Valor with you if you do. Chad, I want to fill you in on how mistreated I've been. I want to fill you in. So I went to Yuva today. I was talking to Yuva on the phone. And I was like, you're going to have to play Valorant with me at some point. And she's like, but I just don't like Valorant. And I was like, that's okay. I know you'll do it anyway because you care about me. And she's like, but I don't like Valorant. And I was like, you know, that's crazy because I do a lot of things that I don't like so I can like make sure to spend time with you because it's the time with you that makes, oh, I just hit my tracking iPhone. This is slander? That's crazy, Milky. That's crazy. And then she's like, maybe. And then she has the audacity to say, it's not a no. The fuck you mean it's not a no? Fuck you mean it's not a no? Do the rooster noise? Like right now? Okay, let me study the part.
Rooster. Rooster.
It's like actually like screaming bloody murder. That's just actually what it is. Look at how she tortures me, chat. Wait. Okay, I'm waiting. I'm being forced to perform like a lowly fucking court jester just for crumbs of her attention. The movie Hook? Wait, I have to hide this because it's going to show my name in my fucking email when I open my volume mixer for some reason. I've never seen this movie. Oh. I'm not subbed. That's crazy. Broke. Everyone, do me a favor, please, and type broke in the chat. Can we do that? Can we get brokes in the chat? Actually, can I get the pointing emoji? Can someone post the pointing emoji?
No.
Skip to minute 3. What the? This is a character study.
You can fly, you can fight, and you can...
Jin. Ah, damn. Jin. Thank you for the sub.
Thanks, Cash.
I'm going to type that in chat so they can see it. Okay, wait, I got to practice. I think I got it, actually. I think I got it. It hurts my throat, but I think I got it. I think I have it. Did you do it? No, I haven't done it yet.
Prime sub.
I can't believe you had a Prime sub this whole time and you're sitting here complaining about not being subbed. What the fuck? That's crazy. That's crazy. You missed it? Yeah, they missed it. I actually did it a couple times. Kind of wild. Oh well. Such is the life of a brokey. I don't know what to tell you. Nah. What do you mean, nah? Do it. What do you mean, not do it? Or no Valo? Okay, first of all, I have two things to tell you. The first thing is that what makes you think you can boss me around like that? Well, what makes you think I'm gonna like latch on to the fucking carrot you're dangling on a stick? Like when I boss you around, okay, yeah, but like that's beyond the point. You made me feel like I wasn't worth shit earlier because you wouldn't even agree to play a free video game with me. Okay? And now you're pulling up making demands? You're making demands? Hype train. There's a hype train if you want emotes like this one. Go do the sub, do the bits, you good emote. Okay. The second thing I have to tell you is that we didn't do it. I didn't do it. I did it. I turned my mic off and did it. I think I might have it. Let me practice again. Let me do it right in front of you. But like so you can't hear it. Hold it right out of your reach.
You can fight. And you can
I think I kind of got it. I think I've got it. You were moaning? Maybe I was. What about it? Don't act like you wouldn't like that, you freak. You've never seen Hook? Go watch it? Yeah, I have never seen Hook. I need to watch it. Okay. So here's the deal. Great unique take on the story. Yes, so I've heard. Hook is so good. Notice how Yuva didn't say anything. Didn't say anything. I mean, it's true either way, regardless. Watched as I was a kid? Okay. Look at you. Look at you. I know your ass is flustered back there. Don't pretend. Okay. Oh yeah. I forgot I could do that. I forgot I could do that too. Okay. One more time.
You can fly, you can fight, and you can
Okay. Okay. I'm ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? Tell me. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. One more practice. Wait, 1 sec. It sounds kind of like if a chihuahua decided to do a rooster sound. But no matter what, no matter how good it is, you have to play. So get your fucking game ready, okay? Because it's coming. You're about to get the most mid rooster sound of all time. I don't want you to go into this excited at all because it's not going to be good, but I got you. One more time.
You can fly, you can fight, and you can
Next time, because you literally said you'd do it tonight. You said yes. What do you mean? Yes, you did. I said, will you play tonight? And you said yes. And I said, does that mean you'll play tonight? And you said yes. I did say that. Someone clip it. Someone clip it. Chat, someone back me up. That's exactly what I said. Not Milky, though. Milky's going to stand by you no matter what. I don't remember that. You don't remember anything, goldfish brain. Okay? Okay. Well, my fucking Chipotle's here. That's fucked up. No, it's just a fact. Okay. I'm gonna take my headphones off and I'm gonna walk away and I'm gonna eep. But I'm gonna do it. Hi, Akari. You're here just in time. Okay. There you go. It's all you. Okay, I'll be right back. I've got Chipotle to craft. Sorry. My bad, BRB. Shoot through 12 axes cleanly. Da 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 da. What did he do? Wait, was it good? You can win. This is born to be a lost one. That's me. Oh, wrong button. Hi, everybody. Welcome back. Wait, we gotta watch a clip. Goldfish brain. Or anything, goldfish brain. Damn, I wish I got more of that. Or anything, goldfish brain. Okay. Shaun of the Lost Bowl. Whoa! Actually, though, you know how hard that would go? You know how hard that would go, Jin? That would go kind of insanely hard. The Lost Boys? I'm gonna be honest, I think that's a fucking fire idea. Getting collateral in the clip? Yeah, you're catching a stray. It's okay though. I do it out of love. Oh, my fucking Chipotle's here. That's fucked up. No, it's just a fact. Okay. I'm gonna take my headphones off and I'm gonna walk away and I'm gonna eat. But I'm gonna do it. Hi, Akari, you're here just in time. Okay. There you go. It's all you. I did kind of kill it. Make that soundboard. Why did I actually kind of kill it? Mmm. The burrito goes crazy. Wait, run it back. Just in time, okay. There you go. It's you should be your new sub sound. You want people to listen to this every time someone fucking subs. There you go. It's all you. Okay, I'll be right back. I've got new alarm. Yeah. You need to like, we need to cut that out and like layer them like it's like a farm of roosters cooing in the morning. You have Kyle? Exactly. I mean, I'm good for more than that, but you're right. One more time. Yeah. Wait. Now check it.
Rooster.
Indistinguishable. Check this shit out. Brain. Okay.
Rooster.
Cock? I'm just literally indistinguishable. Jin. You mean a soundbite? I'll edit that? Okay. I got you. I literally do it right now. I mean, this goddamn burrito. How do I download this? It really doesn't matter what version I download. Can I open a video file in Audacity? Searching for plugins. Oh, you're not going to find them. Oh, you're going to find my FL Studio VST. That works too? Okay. I'm going to see if I can do this for you. I know I can technically, like, put it into all my shit. Send me the video? Okay. Are you sure? Make it funnier. Okay. I love how you can see. There's a little guy. There's a little guy. Okay. There you go, sweet girl. It's all yours. I'm your Tinkerbell. You are my Tinkerbell. Look at you over there. Foxer Bell? Tinker Fox. Hi, Hikari. Oh, come on in. I saw the shit you posted on Twitter. It's so exciting. How are you doing? And I'm doing good. I'm chilling. Enjoying some kind of cold, kind of mid, honestly, Chipotle. But if I admit to that openly, it's going to make me depressed. So. There's fucking Bob, bro. I did. You're working on some cool stuff. I'm excited for you. Yeah, this is kind of mid. But oh well. I'm just a chill viewer here to vibe with Kyle and the crew. That's all. You guys see the pricing for the 50 series RTX cards came out?
미안해서 어쩌나?
Actually, not terrible pricing, I'm going to be honest with you. Damn, they gave me all the, like, hard brown bits. Ew, this is gross. That's disgusting. I'm complaining. It's not bad, I'm telling you. Might have to convert to AMD CPU, yeah. Bro, I'm telling you, AMD CPUs are where it's at, especially those X3D cards. They go crazy. TikTok lied to you? You want to give me the 5090? If you buy it for me, I'll give it back to you after I use it for a while. Honestly, I've got a 5070 Super, or 50, I've got a 4070 Super. I could see myself upgrading to a 5070 or a 5070 Ti. No doubt. Help. Item quality issues. Burrito. Take a picture of this fucking gross ass lettuce. I'm telling you, the 5090 price, it's actually not terrible for what it is. Not bad. Take a breath? Are you talking to me? This issue requires an agent. Okay, that's fine. Give me a fucking agent. Let me talk to someone about this. I'm your DoorDash virtual assistant. Okay, shut the fuck up. You about died? What do you mean I about died? Connect me with a live agent right fucking now. $4090 performance, half the power. That's kind of insane. Wait, a 5070 has 4090 performance? No shit. That's kind of a wild jump. I'm going to be honest, if you can get 4090 level performance out of a $550 4070 or a 5070, that's kind of like new baseline card. I've been connected with the DoorDash support agent Eula. Just so happens to be Yuva's evil twin. Fox, what's your food about? I'm just kind of chilling and eating. And I'm fighting with the DoorDash agent. It's done. Ready. Okay, let me hash this out. What was the other thing that's getting a movie today? Oh, Helldivers is getting turned into a movie. You know my ass is about to finish this burrito though. When the Kyle 96 movie? Yeah, I'm telling you. I retweeted something today. Maybe it was yesterday. Oh, there's a video here, and someone was like, if I ever form any like VTuber group, I want this level of animation quality for my teasers. And I think I absolutely agree. But then I found out something heartbreaking about it. Check this out. Hey, you want to hear the heartbreaking part? This is for an NFT set. Someone really went this hard animating this for a set of NFTs. Look at this fucking frame, though. Look at that. Look at that. That's so fucking cool. Impact frame, eat your heart out, bro. Watching it for free on stream? Yeah, this is our NFT now. $17.51 refund in DoorDash credits. Credits are fine. Smiley face. Thanks again. This impact frame is crazy. Damn, my pause game's kind of wild. The things I do with my hands, bro. The things I be doing with my hands. Poke space makes someone uncomfortable and reveal it was a joke. It doesn't make it okay. It's still, yeah. Where'd you see that at? Did I do that? Damn, Eula, chill out. Fucking triple texting me and shit, bro. Okay, Fox, let's move to my Discord server so that Jin can join us, because Jin's gonna play. Jin, I think you can join the captain's chair, right? You have the homies role, don't you? You do. Big Papa businessman. Also, Jin, don't feel like you have to join VC, but feel free to. I just want to move over here just in case. There we go. You're attached. Oh, right. I muted this shit. Maybe. Oh, there we go. These motherfuckers are really not happy about giving me credits.
You have some wild DoorDash history.
Yeah, dude, it's very
So,
storied.
That doesn't surprise me. Not that any of it wasn't warranted, but it definitely does not shock me.
Yeah, bro. It's where I live.
Mm-hmm.
Just something about it.
It's getting to the point, honestly, where DoorDash and shit like that just aren't even worth it anymore.
Yeah, listen, if I could reason with myself that it was worth the time to go get the food, I would never use DoorDash.
Mm-hmm.
I value my time so much, but like the food is always hotter and better when I go get it, and it's cheaper.
Mm-hmm. It would be nicer if like we ate dinner earlier, like you could grab food on the way home or something.
Yeah, exactly. Well, even then, I'm
up
like,
way too fucking late for that.
yeah, I kind of don't want to fucking go out of my way when I get off work to go grab dinner.
That's true too. On my Twitter feed, it's what's IDV? But
It's
yes,
a Dead by Daylight game.
IDV is a Dead by Daylight game.
Yeah, it's like Dead by Daylight.
Oh, okay. Yeah, my Twitter feed's a fucking mess. I haven't used Twitter very actively since college, so it's ancient political and like anthropology stuff, and that has morphed into just toxicity somehow. Mostly it's just like neo-political shit. I hate it.
All random, baby.
Bop, 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 bop.
Oh, Jen. Are you ready, boy?
Who's in our party?
It's my buddy Jin. That was in the chat.
Oh, is it Jen? Okay.
Yeah. Socrates himself on the, I'm telling you. Bro was around when fucking the Bible was written.
Me? Yeah, I was there. Looks like we're ready.
Oh, did Jin say something?
It says ready on the thing. They were in a game, now they're ready. But
Maybe.
that could just be an assumption.
I'm good.
Sick. How do I oh yeah, sick.
Sick. Did that work?
I don't know. It lit my thing up purple. I don't know if my in-game chat's working though, is the thing.
I don't know.
Match found.
I don't know what the team button is.
Ruh-roh. T is the one I use.
Oh. That work? Does this work?
Ashton, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Sick.
You hear
Do I
me?
just come join the VC?
What's that?
Do I just come join the Discord VC?
Yeah, if you want to. No pressure, but yeah, we're in one in my server. I think you have access to it.
Yeah.
Hello.
What up?
What's
Hello.
good?
What's good?
I better pick
I gotta
something.
pick a character.
Amy.
I'm not sure about that. My Valorant skills are at about a C- at best.
Yeah.
Still passing though.
Yeah. I'm gonna play Sova with absolutely no lineup knowledge whatsoever.
That's fine.
That's the best way to play Sova.
There's no other way to play Sova.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Just guess on how many times it needs to hit a wall and bounce, and just hope for the best.
Yeah, I mean, I hope you remember your fucking like geometry class.
That is asking a lot.
Mm.
I took when was geometry? Like 8th grade?
My squares and shit.
Oh,
Match found.
Rip.
somebody's really mad. I picked Sova.
It was me.
Was it? Did you?
Nah, they heard your geometry skills were off the charts.
They said
Yeah.
8th grade. What a
That's fair.
fucking idiot! It's 7.
I'm pretty sure it's actually based in 9th. So
Okay. Now we're just
at
arguing
least it
semantics.
was. What'd you say?
Now we're just arguing semantics.
I'll fight anybody. I'll fight
Jin is a big Final Fantasy and PoE 2 player, by the way.
Oh, so I might have been paying attention, but I just got back, literally just in the last day or two, got back into Final Fantasy.
Let's go.
I mean, we played hard there like 4 years ago.
Yeah.
And then just randomly all three, well, it was me and Kyle and somebody else, one of our friends that we don't talk to anymore. But we all just like hard dropped it. And
I think we just got burnt out. Which was funny because like
understandable.
Because like he was in like Heaven's Word towards the end.
We were all in 3 different places.
Yeah, and our buddy was in Stormblood somewhere, and I was in like the first fourth of Shadowbringers, and we were like, oh my god, there's so much.
And I'm such a like, it's my fault. Like I gotta sit there and do every little quest and listen to every little fucking dialogue and read everything, and I suck it up, and
yeah.
It just drags me behind, which I'm okay with, but it can be frustrating, I think.
That's
I think we all were just like over it.
Understandable.
Yeah, but we've been kind of, Kyle's been kind of talking about it because you guys are all playing it, and then I watched you play for like 20 minutes. And I was like, this is what I've been missing. So I literally watched 3 hours of YouTube content, catching myself up on the story that I've like just brushing it up, and then today I just watched a video on my class so I can remember my rotation.
Nice. Better than I'm gonna call someone out, but it's better than Yuva.
What'd you say?
Better than Yuva. Has been stuck in the Realm Reborn for like 8 months.
Yeah, Yuva is literally only just getting into fucking Heaven's Word.
Yeah.
But she's got so much shit though. She does a lot of the horizontal content.
Yeah.
It's true.
Are you what cutscenes, Kabara?
Me?
No, Jin.
I try not to. But honestly, if you want to, it's totally fine, I think. If it's not voice acted, it's not important.
Oh, see, I'm everything.
Yeah, I think for a while you were doing all the side quests too.
Yeah, and I will continue to.
Spike down A.
Yeah, I just eat it up, but I'm really excited to get back into it.
Was someone there?
Spike planted.
I think my main gripe with the side quests in 14 is that, in my experience, they kind of derail from the main story.
Player standing.
And like, a lot of people. Oh,
Good
damn.
attempt.
A lot of people told me that like I should do the MSQ and then go back and do the side quests for like XP or completionist sake, because it upsets the flow of the story a little bit when you're doing a million fetch quests when you're trying to wait for the story to progress.
I don't think my ADHD and OCD can handle that. It's a wicked combination when you enjoy MMOs.
Like the side quests and like the blue quests, or like the regular actual side quests?
All of them.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Here.
The truth is, I need to. That was 4 years ago when we played. I need to get back into it and really kind of. I could play it a little bit differently than I did before. Who knows? We were very different people back then.
Yeah, we really were.
So long ago.
Idiot.
It said my last played was 2021, and it feels like it was about 10 years ago.
No, dude, I'm telling you, it was a long fucking time ago. I looked at my friends list when I got on, and when I saw that it said almost 1,600 days, I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Portal closed.
I mean, we were deep in COVID when we started that.
Yeah.
Spike planted.
But anyway, I'm fucking jazzed for it, so.
Just peek it already. I'm not going in there. Fuck it, I'm not a pussy.
Easy clutch.
Don't get up.
Oh, damn. I should have fucking just squared up.
This place is nice.
I don't know why I'm trying to save in a fucking swift play though. With a fucking with an outlaw.
Reloading.
Oops. I didn't mean to do that.
You just ride the rope back on up, buddy.
Revealing area.
Decoy.
Shot down. Shot down.
Spike down A.
Oh no. I don't know this map. I didn't know they could be on that.
My ult's ready.
One enemy
Oh,
remaining.
you better.
Last player standing.
My turn.
Oh no. Oh no. Fuck, I had info on both of them too.
Last
Sometimes those
round
kill
before the
animations
switch.
are just disrespectful.
Let me hear how you
True.
do it. Just spend all your money. Maybe buy a shorty or two.
Stinky grandma? There's no fucking way I just died to stinky grandma. It's the mom of Misfit Dad.
Misfit Dad.
God, Chipotle queso is so mid.
Oh, it's bad.
It's awful.
It's fine, like mixed with something else, but just as a queso on a standalone situation is.
It's terrible. Oh my god, they're here.
They're
again.
all over here on A again. I am.
These motherfuckers.
Drop in a scope.
Cutting through.
What's this?
No way they're rotating.
My portal broke.
No, they're planning.
Spike
Anyone
planted.
else? Back off.
Oh.
Stop from. Damn.
Last player
Oh.
standing.
That was a pretty good blind.
This is some sweaty behavior for Swift play.
Switching
Yeah, what
sides.
is this?
Match point.
I think we run into this all the
We
time.
are Valorant. We are
It's
fighting.
like the exact same energy as like the best team at a high school regional soccer game or something. Like, who gives a fuck? Bro's playing his heart out for the Little League. Congratulations.
Blah.
God, this queso is so fucking bad.
Chin up,
That's just
kiddies, it's
meow
not
at
over
me.
yet.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I have that one too.
Enemy spotted
Reloading.
A. Healing.
Uh-oh. They got ya.
No peeking.
Scanning ahead.
Reloading.
There they are.
Reloading. Reloading.
Uh-oh, behind us.
I'll return.
Target down. Reloading. Reloading.
No way, not another one. I'll wait. I'm not picky.
Drop in a smoke.
I couldn't see the cubby up left.
Portal closed.
Oh, I fucking whiffed by a centimeter.
Right here. Spike planted.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
No.
Oh, fire.
Hey, this is just crazy.
Nice.
Finally. This is how I like to win.
They don't stand a chance now that I've got a real weapon. Okay, I'm hydrated. Okay. Chips are aside, I can play the game now. Right here.
No way.
Die. Time to jump.
One enemy
Over
remaining.
here.
Nice.
You know where they're at, Jim?
Yep.
Cutting through.
Where do you plant it?
No.
Clutch.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Wait, where the fuck?
Defenders win.
Damn.
you planted on this side of all places.
That was Sage.
That's unfortunate.
I take back everything good I ever said about Sage. I did my bestest. No year-end event pass progress either. What the fuck is this?
Dang.
Damn, I only got this battle pass at level 19.
Damn.
It's okay. It was kind of ass anyway, if I'm being really honest.
Yeah, it's kind of booty.
Even the knife is ass.
Yeah, this isn't good at all.
Match found.
What is it?
The battle pass. I haven't even looked at it.
Yeah, it's terrible. I just like earning things as I play, so I bought it.
Mm. We'll go here.
I'll fight anybody.
The new agent that's coming out tomorrow looks so fucking cool.
Yeah, he does. I did see that. I thought that was today,
Yeah.
honestly.
Yeah, tomorrow.
I'm
I
about
think
to play
it's
him already. Looks sick.
yeah. There's like a creator server or something. People are on.
Yeah.
Mm.
Are you winning, Kings? We're doing our best. That's all I've got for you, though. What up, Bambi?
When you're playing with some homeless dude.
Oh, I thought you were insulting somebody, but that's really his name.
That's really his name.
It's like the kind of shit I'd be saying to some random Valorant player. Just calling people random homeless dudes.
My favorite part is that that is exactly something that you would say, and then when somebody else says it, it's like the most atrocious thing. Oh,
yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah. You're not losing it by I mean the plot. I lost that a long time ago. But that's okay.
I lost the game years ago.
It's because you got to keep them guessing, Bambi. Never let them know your next move. That's when I end the stream right now.
My next move is always food.
There's always food?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. It's a problem.
Mm-hmm. Alicia and I were talking about that earlier, actually.
Really?
Yeah. We were just both like, we need to be better about food this year. I was
Dude.
like, you're right.
Yeah.
I agree. 100%. I was just talking to Cody about like, we were talking about going to the gym and like holding each other accountable and shit.
Mm-hmm.
Get the server? Okay. Should I show it on stream? Oh my god. Wait. Yes.
The server?
Wait, I gotta hide it and download it so I don't leak all the shit in our server. One sec. Actually, it should
Discord?
be okay. It should be okay. It should be okay.
Oh, God.
Yeah,
Why does it sound so good?
Come of our middling.
Bambi, this is me making this sound, by the way.
Great edit.
Can you post that somewhere where I can watch it later so I can actually hear it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's amazing.
Yeah, but I can't hear.
Oh my God, Yuva, you're incredible.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that's me. We were watching. I was memeing Chin because he made I made a sheep sound when we were talking about goats, and I pulled up a video about like animal sounds, and Yuva was like, "If you make the sound the rooster makes, I'll play Valorant with you." And I was like, "Bet." And so I made the rooster sound, and then everyone was like, "Why did he actually kill it?"
Revealing area. There they are.
Shutting them down.
Enemy kill. Enemy still
suppressed.
One enemy remaining.
Not my own content. You're a really good editor. It kills me.
That's funny.
That's amazing. That's going on Twitter later. Did Jin see it? I don't know.
Yeah, I saw it.
You should post it in my Discord, so that way people can see it.
Yeah, I saw it.
I've got the stream muted, so I couldn't hear it, but
yeah,
I can check it out later.
Anyway, everyone can see it. And then, unless you want to post it and take credit for it on Twitter, I want to post it on Twitter.
Spotted C. Reloading.
Target attacker spawn.
Reloading.
Behind us.
Spike down. C. One enemy remaining.
Oh shit, he's in the back corner. I didn't even see him.
I didn't even know you could get back there.
You can post it? Okay, I'll post it. Thank you for making that. That's incredible.
Yeah, it's great. Exactly how I imagined it.
Liked it? Liked it is an understatement. I love it. It's incredible. You even put like an echo and reverb on the fucking. Oh, well, I don't think you put an echo, but you put a reverb on the fucking sound effect. You fucking cooked.
Cover going out.
Scanning ahead.
Suppressive.
Nobody.
Reloading.
Here.
Enemy spotted A.
I am
down
actual booty
A.
cheeks.
Time to jump.
Enemy spotted A.
Oh no! Don't do this! Oh my god! My finger slipped and pressed the fucking Q button.
I got the spike.
That was incredible.
Spike planted.
Oh,
nice.
One enemy remaining.
4.
Chuck, can I get everyone to go give a gold star to the fucking meme that Eva posted in the Discord? Oh, that was almost not
That's
great.
crazy.
Ba-bum, ba-bum.
Ba-boom, ba-boom.
Last
You're
round
just like me,
in
for
the
real.
half.
We lose everything after this. Spend it.
I can go this way. I can get a pretty free head tap this way, or at least I used to be able to.
Back in the day.
They're weak. Good.
Knife deployed. Two suppressed. Cover going. Decoy.
Scanning ahead.
Shadows traveling.
Enemy spotted.
Lights out. My ult's ready.
No way! 120 is crazy.
Spike down, C.
What is this, America? Why are we giving some
Switching
homeless dude a
sides.
gun?
Match point.
Just make it their ringtone? I might. I'm gonna be honest. Make it what I wake up to in the morning? Is that narcissistic?
Oh God.
There it goes.
Just try and get
Up on the
past me.
starboard. Congratulations, Yuva. Stealing my joke? What do you mean stealing your joke?
Spike down, B.
Oh, that eye lasted too long.
One enemy remaining.
In this one.
Spike planted.
I make it my alarm? Oh. You're right, you did. I remember that now.
Was that important?
Defenders win.
Call me when the world
It's okay though, I'm okay with that.
I'd hate to miss it.
Stealing your joke, I mean.
How did I go 0-2? Looks like I wasn't even here.
Dude, that jet kind of went fucking crazy. Give me my fucking XP, okay? I've got very few hours left until the fucking year-end pass is gone. I need it.
Oh God.
Use my abilities, use my ultimate. Okay. I got this. I got this. I don't need anything in the pass is the funny thing, but like, it'd be like that.
It do be like that.
Match found.
Oh, I gotta edge into my title. Hydrate. Hydrate? Oh, I do need to stretch really bad. Oh. Inferior dwarf?
In pot.
I'll fight anybody. I'll fight.
So I got this batch of zero sugar Baja Blast, as always. And for some reason, every can in it, I don't know if it's because it's like been sitting there for a while or what, but it's got this like hint of cinnamon to it. And I don't know why.
Huh?
I don't.
Yeah, there's like
know.
a cinnamony like aftertaste to it, and I don't.
Yeah, I don't think that's normal.
Every
I don't
can
think
so
Baja
far.
Blast in a can is very good.
I like
same.
the zero sugar a lot, especially when it's cold. Is it good because of it now? No, it was better before. It's like a little too
Can't
sweet
imagine
now.
mixing cinnamon with any Mountain Dew makes it better.
Bit of spice to your drink. Spice is crazy.
Technically. Spicy. Why is it spicy? I was just trying to be code red and it just didn't quite get there.
Livewire. I'm gonna put some of this Mio Energy Tropical Fusion in there.
Don't do it.
Why not?
Just don't.
You trying to hold me back from greatness or what?
I'm trying to hold you back. I'm trying to save you.
I don't have to like it.
You'll work with me.
From greatness?
Yeah.
You don't want it to go to my head.
Yeah. Your head's are.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
Excuse me? I've got a fucking head for you, you pussy.
You better.
Oh, hey yo.
Hey,
Give
yo.
me a smooch. You know there's parts of the world that can get zero sugar code red?
Yeah, I've had it before.
I have not.
We have the Hy-Vees here. You have Hy-Vees there, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes Hy-Vee has it. It's like kind of rare, but
I'm about to act up if we don't start getting it around
I
here.
think I hear him here.
Here is wild.
B. JK.
One enemy remaining. Spike down A.
Oh no.
Oh, come on. He's probably far back. What a pussy.
Tell him. Back to work I go. Okay. Good luck, baby.
Don't get shot.
Where's Bambi work?
He works for the... I don't know if it's the actual, like, Australian Postal Service, but he works for some postal service in Australia. Australia.
You think they're gonna face check smoke again?
I believe. Hey, Hookah.
Oh, I got one
Cutting
in.
through. Enemy spotted A. Someone is B. They found my wire.
Oh, how am I
Cubby.
missing those?
There. Spike planted.
Damn, that fake out was crazy. He's around the point on B. Oh, what the fuck? What a rat position.
Damn,
Holy
I forgot
shit.
I forgot I had a bulldog.
What a rat, bro. That's a crazy corner to hold.
Yeah.
He doesn't miss much.
Decoy.
Hookah, at least one. Oh, goddamn! That's crazy.
Time to jump.
I'm repositioning.
I found my wire. Reloading. Careful now. Found my wire.
There's no
One
way.
enemy remaining. Spike
Oh, he's in
down
elbow,
B.
in elbow.
Shadows traveling.
Your biggest mistake was that you pissed me off.
Yeah.
Last round before the switch.
Nothing
Hell
will be said
yeah.
after this. Use it.
That was my first kill.
Better push it. I want to get.
You want to play? Let's play.
Nice name.
Oh.
Damn. She lit for 78.
Cutting through.
Oh, he's got an operator. How didn't I know that?
Standing.
One down.
Holy shit, bro.
Yikes.
Landing them shots.
Yeah, that's rough. Oh my god, there's
Switching
two of them
sides.
with an operator. What the fuck?
The enemy fears you, Reyna. You can use that.
Cats have attitude.
Yeah, they do.
A lot of sass there.
Oh my god.
Cover going out.
I'm gonna blind.
Still in sight.
Cover going out.
Oh, close, right.
Spike down A.
Spike retrieved.
Oh, he bought shields. Damn it.
Cutting through.
You, somebody else did that on their team the first round last switch.
Oh yeah, I did that.
One's gonna be coming showers.
Last player standing.
Clutch. Clutch or kick.
Okay, well then fucking kick me already. I don't know what's going on with my mouse, but it is like disconnecting a bunch. I don't know if it's not disconnecting because the clicks work. It just doesn't register movement.
Did you charge it?
Yeah. But I was also like weirdly enough getting this pop-up in Synapse that was telling me that the battery was up, even though when I looked in Synapse it said it was like 90.
Oh, Razer Synapse is horrible.
Yeah, well, they just came out with a 4th version of it, which is funny. It took 4 versions to get it right. But the general consensus, at least that I was reading, is that it's actually pretty decent now. It's like a lot more lightweight.
Oh.
But I don't know if it's like reading my battery wrong or if there's just some issue. Because like, it's not that the battery's dying. My clicks work. It just doesn't register movement.
Shadows traveling.
That's frustrating.
Time to jump.
Multiple enemies A.
There's no way.
One
All that.
Fake teleport.
Great, we got a player AFK too, which is cool.
Our spike carrier is dead. I got the spike.
Spike down A.
Oh, that scared me.
Blank.
Behind you, you think?
Last player standing.
Oh.
Damn. Fucking pop, bro. Oh my god, hi, Lore. Wait, Lore, I didn't know you streamed. That's crazy. What were you up to, brother? Welcome on in. Hi, Raiders. I'm Kyle. It's so nice to meet you. Raid.
Match point.
Hoi.
Don't stop fighting. You must keep going, even if you're the only one.
Wait. What Phantom skin do I have? You know what? I'll play Phantom this round. Fuck it. Some Goose Goose Duck. Oh, let's go. I played Goose Goose Duck like 2 times in my entire life.
We need to set a date for Liar's Bar.
Oh, yeah, we do. I've just kind of been waiting for people to tell me when we're gonna do it.
Well, I was waiting until after the 5th, because that's when... I think that's when everybody's free.
Joke's over! You're dead! Cover going out.
That is wild. What is wrong with you? Oh, that was BM as fuck, bro.
Down B. Cutting their vision. Last player standing.
Target 86.
Damn.
Defenders win.
Well, fuck. Cookie, thank you for the follow. Welcome on in. Welcome to the cult. You can now no longer leave. DQ'd. Someone leaving. Hello?
Hello?
I might have fucked that up.
Oh.
Sounds about right.
Bro saw the shiny button and said, fuck.
I pushed a button.
You got killed a little? I did get killed a little. I certainly did.
It happens.
Match found.
I'll play a character out
Chicken.
Anyway,
Yes, I'm pumped.
Boing Eepers. Okay. Bye, Yuva. If you chill in
Bye,
Discord, I'll
Yuva.
join you when I go to sleep. If not, I'll see ya.
Good night.
You even get the Shadowbringers.
True. True.
Is that what's after Heavensward?
No, that's
Stormblood.
Blood, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the best expansion?
Shadowbringers.
Is it?
It's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
It's definitely pretty good.
Okay.
I've heard Endwalkers
is
is
where
really great too,
everything-
though.
So
Shadowbringers is where everything hits the fan, pretty much.
Okay.
Honestly, yeah, like right in the beginning of it too.
Yeah.
What's Stormblood like? Is it any good? That's not.
No, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's actually not bad. It's just
not
like
bad. Yeah.
it's like a very different kind of deal. I don't remember enough to tell you exactly what it is, but it's like,
Sure.
I mean, you go from A Realm Reborn into Heavensward, which is this like very fantasy, like dragon slaying thing, and then Stormblood is almost like a political intrigue story, from what I remember, right?
Yeah.
I think that actually.
Yeah, it's actually pretty cool.
It's definitely a setup expansion, pretty much. Setting
Yes.
up for Shadowbringers, but after you get past the base expansion, so once you go like post Stormblood, like the
updates or whatever.
Yeah, like the quest leading up to Shadowbringers, that's when it starts to get good.
Okay.
Yo, wanna trade
It's
Ghost
not that
King's
it's
Chamber?
bad. It's just not as good as Heaven's Ward.
Yo, I ain't got through.
Oh, I tagged that guy in the fucking clavicle.
Reloading.
Well, it didn't care.
Never mind.
Don't work until 1. Hold on.
Wait, no way, what?
Yeah? You're not going Yeepers? Well, welcome back.
Blinded.
That feels good.
Enemy spotted B. Enemy spotted B.
You should come play Valorant.
Oh shit.
Blinded.
I got probably an hour left in me of Valor.
Spike down B.
Clean kill.
To get on Roblox Squid Game, I don't think Fox would.
I have the
That's
spike.
assuming a
Player
lot.
standing.
You wouldn't download, or you would download Roblox and get on Roblox Squid Game?
I would if everybody was doing it. I'm kind of a
Don't
conformist.
get shot.
Hmm.
I need my hiking buddy in tip-top shape.
I'll probably head out after this game. Need to go sleep too.
Ooh, Jin said, fuck no.
Yeah, I have work. I have work. I'm sorry.
That's
I have like
fair.
7 hours.
Also, Yuva, that's literally our plan tomorrow. Quit trying to pull a bunch of people into what we're doing tomorrow.
I mean, I'd be down tomorrow.
No.
Let's make him
Oh
dance.
no.
shit. Hal said.
Okay.
This is our stream plan for tomorrow. And
How's
suddenly
that
we're trying to move
awesome?
it into tonight with a bunch of people.
No way did I get box shot with a guardian. That
Why are
is
people buying
upsetting.
Guardians all of a sudden? We get buffed. Yeah.
This guy's named Soup Lover, not Hypocrite.
Hostile down. Reloading.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh! Guys, I don't gotta
yeah?
sleep. Well, then come
Two
play Valorant.
lovers kind
Download
of
it.
popping off.
One
No
suppressed.
escape.
Flashbang.
You say you hate me? No. You literally told me you played Valorant with me.
One enemy remaining.
Damn.
Hey, Soup Lover, pop off.
Yeah, no kidding.
Light planted.
I think he's on site. He's like back here.
Grenade out.
Play Valo tomorrow on Roblox tonight.
Target sighted B. Flashbang.
Oh.
Oh, wow. That was dirty.
Well, here's the deal. I have like 40 minutes left in me. Are you okay with doing it for 40 minutes? And then being done? You're not gonna sit here and bug me to keep going for another 2 hours?
Yeah.
Because I know you. I know you'll do that. Maybe.
Maybe.
I fucking called it.
Maybe.
Are we going B every time?
Yeah.
Is that what's happening?
And Veek is on that bitch.
Hurry up.
Reloading.
Hawk out.
This map is all different now.
Joke's over. You're dead.
Aw, on the wall.
Spike down B.
What a rat.
Do you like spending time with me? That's true, but also, you know, I would have sworn that you'd say yes playing Valo because you like spending time with me, but that didn't work, so. I don't know how many times we can play that card when it's so one-sided.
So was it for 40 back there?
Welcome to site is so hard to push.
I don't know how, but she like.
I'm gonna cry right now. Record it. Send it to
Last
me.
round in the half.
Let's go this way.
Questionable behavior. I'm gonna go this
You
way.
go the other way? Okay.
Vex, hi, welcome on in. Hi, Raiders. Hello, hello. That's it. I'm leaving. No, don't leave.
Raiders.
Don't leave before you record yourself crying and send it to me.
Damn.
Let's flush them out.
Viewers to another home. I appreciate that. How was your stream? Welcome on in. Deserve that you won't play Roblox with me? You literally can't play that card. You literally can't play that card.
Multiple enemies.
You can't. You can't. You can pretend like you can.
You had your fun.
Okay, listen.
No.
If Fox says that he will download the game after this and play with us, then I'll do it.
Well, I'm real bad at Valorant tonight, so.
Said he would earlier. Yeah, he said if everyone was going to,
Last
but Jen already said he
standing.
wasn't, so that is already in jeopardy.
It's true.
One enemy
It's true.
remaining.
Flashbang.
I've literally never played Roblox. I'll give it a shot.
I hadn't before.
Sage is actually the luckiest
a
player
couple
on
nights
Earth.
ago.
First the fucking run and gun.
Anybody else?
Well,
Damn.
crouch, run and gun,
He doesn't wanna
headshot.
play with
Okay.
me. I
And
get
then
it.
a
We can do
fucking
it.
spray recoil headshot from like across the map.
Throws
game
myself
is
in the
good.
stream. Hi, Vex. Hello, hello. Wait, any relation to the other Vex that was just here?
Switching sides.
Var försiktig.
Well, come on in.
The battle.
Be out there.
Fox may go. Okay, but you better remember that we're doing Valorant tomorrow. Like the whole time. And I'm not sticking around super late. You're lucky I fucking adore you.
Big word.
Instead of 40 minutes, how about an hour and a half? No.
Damn.
Raze, you wanna like nade over top of my wall? Or I could like net them and you nade them?
Yeah, I can do that.
Bet.
Wow. The strats.
Throw that hoe.
Grenade. Barrier deployed.
I'm so bad.
Shutting them down. Four suppressed.
Spike down. B.
My husband's a bow and shoot through my
Spike's here.
temple cleanly.
Phoenix is hit for 75.
Yo, thanks, G.
Over there.
Exactly. You get it.
Hey, where's my flank?
I don't remember these lyrics. I do.
Are
It's
the
okay.
only heal left?
Eva and I are the
Over there.
experts.
Heal up, squad.
One enemy remaining.
Reloading.
30 seconds left.
One suppressed.
Blam, blam.
Dang.
If you are not doing well, keep trying. We must keep up appearances.
Oh. Fucking goddamn.
Whoa, what?
My
What is
fucking
happening?
mouse, bro. What is happening? Cup on the side of the road? Okay. You just take and you take
Okay,
and
Raze,
you
low
take
key,
and
wanna give
you
us.
take
Okay,
and you
never mind.
take
It's
and
like
you
low
take.
key a little late.
Hey. Yep, there's 3 over here.
I can't hear
know
over
how
the
to
shorts
use
on
it,
here.
God damn it.
Not the booty shorts.
Booty shorts with the interrupt.
Okay, now watch me fucking. Now watch this drive.
Spike planted.
Oh. Is my redeem now good?
Cooling down.
That's actually much needed.
Fragment.
Mm-hmm. True.
Cancelled.
Last player standing.
Come on, soup lover. What are you, fucking blind?
Dang.
It needs to stop reloading after 2 shots.
That's the
Yeah.
COD problem. I do the same fucking thing.
Yep. Doesn't matter what game I'm playing, I'm doing that.
Match point.
Okay, well now I'm able to afford my whole kit. They can't fucking stop me anymore.
Did you hit the ceiling with your...
Yeah, I did it on purpose. I'm fucking in the... Oh, okay.
Spike planted. I know exactly where you are.
3 suppressed.
Dude, I'm getting fucking railed.
Yeah, I'm not doing it.
Getting fucking railed. I'm fucking in... I said I'm in the fucking smoke. I'm fucking in the smoke. Yeah, it is.
Time to hunt. Got it.
Ooh, good read. That's fucking tough.
The mouse pad. Right at the end there. I thought I was gonna whiff.
My ult's ready.
Alright, boys. Carry me a little harder.
Are equals.
Actually,
They are
I take it all back. I'm gonna op.
Sweet, free op.
Hey, yo.
It's okay, I can always op. I'm a flicker.
The op carry?
Yeah. I know how to flick. I'm ready for it. Oh.
Let's get this done.
Good.
Precision. My ult ready.
Spike down B.
Spike spotted B. Scout destroyed. Here comes the party.
One enemy remaining.
Give me my fucking operator back. Let's go. Hey, Darcel. Come on in, dude. How are you?
Sudden death.
Anyone have any splints? I may have jammed my fingers. Multiple fingers.
Alright.
Oh, snap. The op with no shields?
Yeah, dude. That's what I did last round, too.
I go crazy.
Walked away with 2. I'll walk away with 3 this time.
Enemies B.
See ya! Grenade!
Throwing charge.
Sounds like they're rotating. It's one mid.
Okay.
Sensor drift.
It's one on A.
I think they did rotate.
Spike planted.
Whoa, chill.
Whoa, what are they doing back there? Oh, they're behind you.
I know.
Last player standing.
Oh, I thought I had a fucking...
Attackers win.
Damn, dude.
NT.
They fucking backed away and ran back around, but they must have slow walked.
Yeah.
Damn. Well, I got my one.
Alright, this is where I head out and go sleep. Thank you for the games.
Jeez, my boy. Thanks for playing with us.
Of course. Have fun in Squid, is it?
Roblox
what is it called? Shrimp
Squid
games
Game.
on Roblox now? No, it's called like shrimp games, isn't it?
Oh, I don't know, probably. Who fucking knows? You
Have
would
fun.
know.
Alright.
Nice. See you later.
Bye.
Yeah, see ya. Roblox Squid Game.
All right. What do I do?
That's a good fucking question. Go to roblox.com. Roblox.
Oh my god.
Hi.
It's Roblox time.
It's Roblox time.
Roblox time.
Roblox time. Oh my god, I can
so
put you on my cheek
excited.
so easy on this model.
Yeah. Oh my god, you know what I'm most excited about? I've been seeing so many like TikToks about this game, and it's so funny to like hear the children scream.
Yeah. That's
Have,
kind of
like,
a wild
mental
thing to say.
breakdowns.
But yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. I mean, like, not in context, but out of context, yeah.
Welcome to Roblox.
Hold on, let me make sure I got the right one.
We have to get Fox on Roblox.
Yes.
Yeah, do I need to download anything?
Yes. Well, it'll download it when you go to play a game. So make an
Okay.
account first.
I'm already done.
Okay. So then I will add you.
Okay.
Party. Add. Is your username just Fox Ltd?
Yeah.
I should have named myself the Unabomber. I don't see you. Wait, how do oh wait, that's party? The fuck? How does this shit work? Oh, add friends. Big old button right there.
Oh, damn.
You look sick.
Do I?
Yeah.
I just logged in. I didn't even know I could create an avatar.
You look exactly like me. Can I customize my character without needing to spend Roblox? Oh, I can. There's a bunch of stuff.
Oh.
Why is Tiny Duck not free? This is very important. Noodle.
How'd you find the free stuff?
I just went to characters and there were a couple of them. Whoa, Demon Naruto shirt. Yeah.
Are you already about to fucking buy Robux?
No, I would literally cry.
Yeah.
I'm just fucking putting free shit on. Pants. There's gotta be free pants, right? No, all the pants cost fucking Roblox money. This is the worst thing I've ever seen in my life.
Is it?
Yeah. And I'm not kidding.
I'll be right back.
Classic pants. Oh, these are free. No, don't get rid of my fucking Naruto shirt. Wait, where'd it go? Oh, here.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna do something funny.
Okay.
You'll understand.
All right. Oh, I have to click the free button to... I see. This is awful. This is awful.
What?
It's just some of these fucking... some of these fucking options.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm back.
Welcome back.
Okay. Once I set up what I'm trying to set up, I'll invite you to the game.
Okay.
This is gonna be so epic and poggers.
You think so?
You don't even understand.
Well, I hope you're right.
Oh my gosh. I was like ready to fall asleep, so I looked at what time I was going into work tomorrow and I was like, wait a minute. I don't go in until 1. I don't need to go to bed now.
That is incredible news.
Yeah, also hi Fox. This is my first time actually talking to you.
Yeah, what up?
What's poppin'? I know who you remind me of now. You remind me of Ted Nivison.
Really? I don't see that at all.
He kind of sounds like Ted Nivison a little bit.
Why do I know that name?
He's a YouTuber. I think I've shown him to you before.
Oh.
The inflection's not there. You got. I think it's the classic stuff you got to find.
Why is Y2Mate not popping up? Y2Mate.
Oh, I see what you're saying. I see. Okay.
You have to like click on the thing you want and then click.
Yeah, I see. Classic. Why is this? This is $5 or $5.
5 Robux.
Bobucks.
This shirt goes hard.
Dude, mine goes so hard.
Server settings.
Pants. See all? Classic pants.
Okay, I'm ready. Let me invite you. Let me load in first.
I look so sick.
Yeah, you do, buddy.
Invite friends. Kyle, XCV1.
Join.
Where did the pants that I just got go? There they are.
Wait, why do I look like this? Where'd all my stuff that I did go?
You're white and bald.
Yeah, where'd all my stuff go? I'm leaving. I have to fix this.
What?
Dang.
I can't look
My
like
friends
this.
hate me.
I can't look like this.
I mean, you do.
But I don't look like that in this. I look like this.
You know what that sounds like?
Don't say it. Don't fucking say it. You know what? I guess I'm just a fucking gray, bald loser. You should get out of
Can you
there
invite
so that
Fox?
we can invite Fox, yeah.
Can't you invite him if I invite you?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out. I'm a little stupid.
Top left-hand corner.
Yeah, I'm looking
Invite
at it.
friends.
Why the fuck am I bald?
Okay. Join.
I'm like fucking Roblox Voldemort.
Download and install Roblox.
Oh, Vada Kedavra.
Are you able to join, Fox?
He's coming. It's downloading.
I gotta download it, yeah.
Do you guys want to hear a little sneak? Actually, no, I don't want to tell you. I'll tell you after the opportunity arises.
Do I have to turn voice chat on?
Mm-hmm.
How do I do that?
I don't know.
Oh my god, you
Let me look
you
it up.
asked me to play this and you don't know.
I know. Hold on, let me figure it out. How to turn on voice chat shrimp game Roblox. Account settings, privacy tab, under microphone and camera input, use microphone to chat with voice.
So do I have to leave this?
Yeah, actually, let's leave and then do it and then come back.
Okay.
Just
How
as
do I
Fox
leave?
joined. Top left corner, click on the little button that looks like the Roblox logo and then leave.
Oh, got it. Leave.
Yeah.
Because my head is weird.
Right. Account settings, privacy tab. Privacy. Communication. Experience chat. Experience chat everyone. Direct chat everyone. What? Under microphone and camera input. Oh, okay. Where's microphone and camera input? Hello?
You're doing great.
Account settings, privacy tab, under microphone and camera. I don't see a camera.
Whoa. This beanie's kind of sick. Whoa, curly cool boy hair with headphones.
Oh, I gotta add a phone number. Do you have a phone number connected to your Roblox account?
No, but I can.
Okay, do that. Don't make sure to not share your screen.
Maybe I want to dox my phone number to everybody.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna spend
if you want
$50
to, then go
on
for it.
Bobucks right now.
Yeah? Do it. Why not?
I gotta look cool. I can get a Luffy hat. All these basic hairstyles
Voice chat,
suck.
enable microphone. Okay. And then when you want to mute, you just click on the microphone icon in the lobby. Let me make sure that this works. Where is shrimp game?
Okay, wait, I go where? Account settings, edit profile, right? No. Do I have to go to the actual website? Oh, yeah.
Oh, well, I was doing it I did it in the...
Wait, really?
Mm-hmm.
How do I get to that?
Oh, you click on the 3 dots
And those are where?
on the home page. On the left side.
Oh, more, I see. I was looking in the upper right where my name was.
Oh my god, I'm hearing children scream already. This is amazing.
Oh, awesome.
I love that.
That's my favorite thing.
You might hear me double. Wait. How to...
An email has been sent for verification. Enjoy the free hat. Whoa. Okay, so I did the verified thing, and then I go, where is it?
You need to do a phone number, not an email.
I did. I know I did.
Okay.
Then where is it under communication? Voice chat. So I have to have my voice chat on all the time.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is gonna be amazing.
Can I do push to talk?
Yeah, you can click on in the top left corner. There's a mute button, and and you can click on that to unmute, and then click on it again to mute again.
Okay. Oh my god, I can hear them.
Yeah. Hold on.
I look so sick.
Am I muted on Roblox? Yeah, I am. Okay, I need to. Perfect. All right, are you in my lobby, Kyle?
Yeah, I'm right here. You like my hair?
Sir, don't talk to my
Where are, oh man, you got that fade.
Yeah, I do. Oh, there he
Where's
is.
Fox?
Oh my
Fox,
god,
here,
Fox,
get
you're
into the
looking
red.
sick.
Get in here. Get into
Come
the
here,
red
come here,
square.
Look how buff I am.
Come in here.
Into the red square. Did Fox make it?
I don't think so.
Fox, I told you to get into the red square.
That's your fault. That's your fault. There's no way you could expect someone to make it there.
Hold on, let's leave.
Wait, how do we do that?
Upper left-hand corner.
Oh, just like actually leave? Okay.
Yeah. And then relaunch
Okay.
into the game.
I'll invite you, Fox.
Okay, hold on.
SMH.
I can just join on you too. That's pretty easy. Coming.
All right, guys, let's go over to the corner over here. So I know you're all accounted for. Okay, Fox, go into the square. Okay, there we
made
go.
it.
We're all in? All right, good.
Yeah, I think I jumped into the square right as it took all of you.
Okay.
Because I jumped into the square, but there's only 3 of us. Like you guys all disappeared at one bunch.
I see. I hear somebody fucking clicking on their keyboard, bro. See, I'm too poor to get Roblox drip.
I'm about to buy Roblox.
This is all
drip.
free.
Yeah.
Everything I put on is free.
So is mine. You like my hair?
I do, actually. I really, really do.
Got the taper fade.
Yeah. The low
I like your smile most of all. Give me a smooch.
Yeah, okay. Anytime for you.
Guys, you ready to play Squid Game?
I'm so ready.
Squid Game. These guys are here to kill me. Oh my god. That's way too close on my face.
Everyone, do not worry. I have played these games before.
Oh lord.
I've played these games before.
I feel like we're in VR chat again.
God, I love VR chat.
Honestly, though. We had some good fucking times in VR chat.
Yeah, we did. I haven't busted that bad boy on that.
Yo, why is that? Yo, why is that?
This is red light, green light.
You're Trevor. I don't think she's bad.
Oh.
Green light.
Green light. Green light.
I just watched somebody get pushed.
Green light. Green light.
Oh. That scared the shit out of me.
Green light.
No way did I fall for that.
Did you die?
Yeah, absolutely I did. Yeah.
Oh, damn it.
Your mic is on, by the way.
I know, Fox fell for my green light.
You should have ran across the finish line. You're a chuz, bro.
Played the green light soundboard. That was me.
I'm going to jump off a cliff.
That's crazy.
You know how I was like, hold on, let me set up something?
No way. Honestly, I took 2 steps when it happened. I don't know how I'm alive because I fucking heard it and started running.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder. No, I just had to. You know, I just had to.
I'm sure you had to. You fucking menace.
I knew I could get you guys with it because you haven't played it before.
Did you have to?
I did have to.
No,
and
she
it
fucking
worked.
didn't.
It
No,
was
she
funny
fucking
as fuck.
didn't.
Grade A menace.
I'm gonna get her killed to avenge you. I want you to know
No, don't do it.
Do it.
that. I don't know how to push, but when I figure it out,
Oh, red light, green light again?
I'm gonna Google it for you.
okay, do it. How to push in Roblox Squid Game.
Oh, fuck. Circle?
Triangle.
fuck,
Oh,
I
I'm
got
a
the
winner.
umbrella.
I'm a fucking winner.
I got the freaking umbrella. Are you kidding me?
Your mic's on again.
I know, I did it on purpose.
You're talking to the children in Roblox.
I'm talking to the children at Roblox.
That's really weird.
Fuck. Oh, I'm so stressed.
How do I push her ass? I'm moving on, baby. I'm the winner. I am the Squid Game.
The one and only.
John Squid Game.
Yeah, that's me.
Yo, is this you, bro? Is that you? Thanos? You are not a bag of chips, bro. You are not
How
cool.
much time do I have left? 40 seconds.
Time's running out.
Stressing.
Why is that the fucking League of Legends Champion Select countdown?
Oh my god, I did it! Oh, oh.
Let's go.
I did the umbrella.
Welcome back.
Oh. God.
Oh my god.
Ugh, I'm sorry, Fox.
Wait, are people dying here? What's happening?
Uh-oh. How
Wait,
would
come
you
up
go?
here. Up on a bed. Behind you.
Where?
No, this way, this way. No, no, no. Here, I'm coming to you.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, just gotta...
Get away from me. Don't shank me. No, don't touch me there. This is...
Oh.
They're shaking me. Oh my god, I made it. Somebody got the fucking baby doll head. I really just wanted... Where am I?
Over here, on the left.
You're just supposed to pick a door or what?
Yeah, we have to pick a door.
Actually, watch.
I love hearing people in voice chat in this, although we don't have that many children.
Yeah, it's not fun if they're not children yelling. Get into groups of 3.
Fuck, fuck.
Wait, wait, wait.
Fuck.
Okay, I got you. Oh shit. Wait, this guy right here? No! Oh my god, I got abandoned. Someone jumped in the door. Oh, okay. I've got. Oh my god, they're getting shot out there! Oh my god, it's me and one other guy in here. We're down a person. He's dead! Oh, I'm dead. Damn. You just let that guy run in there with you. You let me die.
Well, I didn't ask him to. He just did.
Too bad. You let him.
You gotta push him.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
You gotta push him out the door.
Oh, that's already. Look. Come in. Get in. One person, please. Oh.
Locked. Oh.
Damn.
Damn it. If that person would have fucking ran in the door like how they were supposed to.
Dang.
I should have yelled at them in the game. I don't want to watch this. Let's exit the server and go back in.
What bad sportsmanship.
Are you guys all loaded in?
Yeah, man.
Fox, are you here?
I'm joining in now. I had to leave because the fucking button
Because you hate
left
us?
my screen. Uh-oh. I'm in queue. What?
There you
Fox,
are.
right here.
Fox. Fox.
Just exit the zone and go and do it.
Get in. Are you in, Kyle?
Yeah, man.
Okay, good.
Well, we have a group of 3, so if we get the door thing, we always know to go to the same door.
I feel so bad that I got Fox with that green light. I wanted to get you.
It probably happened again. Not gonna lie.
Yeah. Oh my god, that's crazy. I bring Fox in to play the first game with us, and you trickster him into like, death. What the fuck is wrong with you?
I wanted to kill you.
Yeah, well,
Just like that.
too fucking bad.
I'm
Instead-
not sorry. I will do it again.
I know you will, you fucking dork.
Teehee.
I'm inmate 204.
Yeah, I'm in mid
I'm in
172.
This is my yard.
Like a prison?
This is the 43 block.
It's like, don't drop
Yo,
the
I
fucking
heard you were the guy that can get things.
Don't drop the fucking soap, bro.
Listen, I will drop the soap if I want.
My bad.
It looks like it's flirting in the Roblox chat.
I can see it.
Hello.
I'll flirt
Reported.
wherever the fuck I want.
Hello, guys.
My eyebrows don't match my hair.
It's okay, me too. Yeah?
Yeah.
Why don't you crow for him?
Oh yeah.
Was that Chewbacca?
Oh my god, it's crazy. I was like Chihuahua time. I played these games. I can purr like a cat.
Yeah, so can everybody.
Alright, I played these games before. I've met some people who thought this was pretty cool actually.
Yeah, Sips.
Oh, you guys gotta move.
Don't fall for it again, Fox.
You gotta move.
You gotta move. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey, Fox.
Hi, buddy. That's fucked up to watch.
It's kind of amazing.
Do more PA guys.
How do I push her ass?
My bad, bro. My fault. Yo, said you played these games. You played these games before. I thought you knew.
Yo, I played these games
I think
before,
it's
bro. Yo,
cringe that
I'm
you're
about to
talking to
fucking
12-year-olds in Roblox.
Uh-oh.
Not you.
I think you're cringe for hating on me for having fun.
I think if your idea of fun is talking to 12-year-olds in Roblox, that's cringe.
Yeah.
My idea of fun
we got a
is
whopping
making fun of
$3.
12-year-olds on Roblox.
Oh, I want that
Look at
prize.
this. Look at this hair. What's going on here?
Yo, I know.
It's dry hair.
Oh, I want that prize,
I
alright.
want to get out of here now. I want to get out of here. Okay, there.
How do you get up
If we
there?
all work together, we can win.
I don't know. How did they get
No, we
there?
You can
can't.
win us, yeah.
No, we can't.
These games is over.
I had so much fun trolling those kids, and you came and rained on
If
my
you guys lose on
parade.
purpose, I'll give you
Oh,
$3.
the fucking.
Oh my god, I got the triangle. I'm
I
winning.
got the star too.
Yeah, I had the triangle. We swapped. We swapped. But watch this. I'm gonna go
You
crazy.
got the umbrella?
Yeah, watch this. So I'm gonna go absolutely fucking crazy.
How do we do that? Like, how do we do this?
You just click
So
along.
you gotta
the-
click on it. But you gotta
Oh.
be careful. You gotta make sure the needle's lined up, otherwise it'll crack and you lose.
Bro, shut up. Let me concentrate. God dang.
Shut up.
Don't eat the cookie yet. He uses health in the last round.
No, it
Didn't even
doesn't.
make it to the last round.
That was easy. Light walk. Light walk.
Who the fuck just farted, bro?
I did it. I'm done.
Me
I'm
laughing
done.
at that guy farting. How are you done?
I got an umbrella too. I'm literally the best.
He's a goat.
I am the Squid Game. We've talked about this. How do I do my Fortnite dances?
Let's crack this open.
How do you do the Fortnite dance? Hit that gritty.
Hey guys, let's make this plus ultra, okay?
Shut the hell up.
My cheat,
I thought you did. I thought you did that in the voice chat. I was about to
did.
say. You did?
Yeah,
Oh,
Yeah,
no.
he did.
So, fun fact: you can actually sabotage people if you stand on their cookie while they're doing it.
Oh really?
That's
Yeah.
fucked up.
I tried to do that to you and then it kicked me out.
Your mic is there.
What do you mean it kicked you out?
Like when I finished my cookie, it gave me like 2 seconds to walk around and then it sent me back to this room. Oh, intermission time. I'm gonna go hide.
Hi, Kyle.
Hi, Yuva.
Oh my god. Oh, that's the spot. Oh, that's the spot.
I don't fit.
What the
Oh,
fuck?
that's the
don't
spot.
fit. Guys,
What did you just say?
I broke my ankle. Doom on death.
I love listening to kids beef on this game. It brings me joy that nothing else does.
Okay, wait. Everyone go in the same little spot. We got this.
I can't. What's going on?
Wait, you're back here. I think I see you. Wait, no, I don't. Where are you?
I don't know. It's I'm literally looking at the game from an outside perspective.
Yeah, that's how it works. You gotta like,
really?
yeah. And then it reverses itself. Where are you?
Okay. Oh,
Uh-oh. I have no idea where you're at.
I'm gonna use. Oh, right by the next secret.
Okay, let's find the door. Stay
Well, the
together,
door,
stay
not all
together.
the doors open. You need to look for the ones that do open.
Yeah. This guy's running super fast around. Oh, here we go. Oh my god, someone ran in here.
Watch out.
Uh-oh. Oh,
Over here.
other side.
Over here, over here, over here.
Oh, someone ran in with you. I'm fucked. I'm dead.
Oh.
Actually, I think we're fucked too.
Oh, no!
Oh, I didn't make it. Whoops.
How did the door close?
Oh, it was
How
groups of
am I
two.
alive?
I don't know.
I think it was groups of two.
Oh, was it?
Oh, was it?
Did you
Come
make
with me
it?
over here. Yeah, I made it.
Oh, where are you?
Right here, right here. Behind you.
I see.
Two.
Two.
Right here.
Perfect.
Yay.
So winning.
Someone's trying to get in here.
They want to be us so bad.
True.
God, I can't believe I got so many kids with that fucking green light.
Okay, let's come back here.
This is like musical chairs.
Yeah, kind of. But like,
I think that's what this is supposed to be.
three. Groups of three. Okay.
Yes.
Let's go.
Perfect.
I kind of want to watch Squid Game Part 2 now.
I haven't even seen part 1.
I know. We should watch Part 1.
Sure, I'm down.
It's actually really good. I enjoyed it a lot. I should probably watch it before the second season anyway, so it works out perfect. Oh, sick. That was hot.
Thanks.
We did it. Rest in peace, Foxy Poo.
Fox will win for you, don't worry.
Only one person can win the Squid Game, and it's John fucking Squid Game. I want you to know that.
It's fucking me, bro.
You're not John Squid Game.
Yeah, I am.
I'm John Squid Game.
I'm John Squid
I've got a
Game.
cookie in my hand.
Who else trolled children in red light, green light? Not you.
Yeah.
Only John Squid Game could do that.
Well, you know what? That sounds like antagonist behavior. You know who doesn't survive Squid Game? The antagonist.
The antagonist always survives.
No, he got like banned. He got banned.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Play the green light audio real quick.
All right, guys, go left, go left. No, not green light. Oh, yeah,
What's happening over there? Oh.
Ooh. All I'm saying, it ain't gonna be me.
Oh, I almost missed.
Oh.
You also be happy.
Oh. That's rough. I'm scared.
Yeah, me too. Just wait for someone else.
Bro got a cookie in his mouth.
Me too. Everyone's waiting. Oh!
Ooh.
There's only a couple left. It's fine.
Yeah.
Everyone's just chilling.
Hey guys, fancy seeing you here. Crazy.
Oh my god.
I just fucking strafed. It ain't gonna be it ain't gonna be me, that's all I'm gonna say.
That's exactly true. Not me neither.
Green light! That's rough.
Only 4 slots left. Minute 40.
Ooh.
I can listen. I can wait with the best of them.
Me too.
I'm stubborn as shit. I'll
I'm-
fucking stand here the whole time.
I'm used to waiting in dungeons for my
Exactly.
loot. Oh.
Yikes.
Alright, guys. 2 more. It's not gonna be me.
Pineapple. Bat signal. Hi, Batman guy. Just one more. Someone's got to feel the pressure. They gotta go.
Oh, win for me.
Oh,
Never
oh my
mind.
god, you did it?
Oh. Someone just fucking fell in between the gaps. I really thought I was gonna fall there.
I did too.
Oh my god, money!
Look at all
Money!
those Robux.
Money, 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 money. The fucking League countdown
I
got
know.
me dead.
It's like giving me PTSD.
Is it fucking red light, green light again? What is this? Oh, it's this. It's a dodgeball. Is it?
No, it's not dodgeball. It's the Squid Game. I just don't know how to do it. I think you have to push people out of the zone.
Oh, you have to kill them. Hey, buddy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry it has to be this way. Uh-oh, I'm gonna die.
You can't run from me. Let's go.
Alright, now it's pink guy.
Nice.
Dead.
Okay, kill
Oh,
me.
well.
You just, without remorse.
Yeah. I win. I'm
You
John
didn't even question
Squid.
it or anything. You just fucking went for it.
Incredible.
I'm John Squid Game.
Remember who let you win.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I would have won anyways.
There's no fucking way.
I would have won anyways.
There's no way.
I would have won anyways.
It's a lie, and you know it's a lie. Oh. I'm in.
So you think it's weird for me to laugh at the children dying, but you can bark at them and it's fine.
Well, I don't think it's weird to laugh at them. I
shit.
think it's weird to start talking to them.
Guys, can we hawk tour?
See, that's the kind of shit you get when you talk to children. In Fortnite, they're crazy. They're unhinged. They start doing crazy shit.
I have won these games before.
I don't see either
I
one of you
won
here.
last game too.
I see you. I'm right back to you.
Oh, there you are.
It's gonna be so great when you understand that meme.
I've played these games before.
We're not gonna watch it in dub, right?
No.
Okay, thank God.
Wait, can you hear my voice mod?
No.
Don't trust voice mod is crazy. Fox, you made it, right?
Yeah, he's in here.
This is my yard.
Uh-oh.
My immersion.
I really wanted to hear that for the third time.
Oh my god, wait, this is the first time I've seen this. Oh, never mind.
I'm gonna go as slow as possible on purpose.
Yeah.
Fox, I'll let you know before I say the green light.
Oh! Oh!
Green light.
I just fell in the ground.
Oh! It's so loud, it kills me.
Green light.
Phantasm's trap.
Green light. Green light. Green light.
What the fuck?
What the hell is that?
Green light.
Did multiple people do the green light?
Green light.
I made it.
Green light.
Fuck!
Green light.
Wait, I made it.
Congratulations.
I'm me saying fuck in the in-game voice chat.
What's the push button?
In the top left, there's a little microphone, and you have to click on it to mute or unmute yourself.
No, push button.
Oh, like the push people.
Punch.
I think just click.
That did not work for me.
I don't know what it is then. I love how every single game I get somebody with that green light. Every single fucking
Is this
game.
you next to me?
Huh?
Is this
No.
you next to me? Wait, where are you?
Where are you? Hi.
I don't see you.
Remember me.
I don't think you're in this lobby.
I don't think we're in the same game.
Oh, are we not? Fuck.
I was gonna say I didn't hear you fucking trolling people, so. But there's someone with your same hairdo, but their name is different.
Yep.
Yeah, that's my alter ego.
Yeah, their name is Chitita, and then some little names, or little numbers.
Oh, I got the fucking umbrella again.
Oh, I did too.
Oh, did I?
Wait, should we leave and regroup?
I'm gonna fuck this. I'm gonna fuck this cookie up first.
You're gonna fuck it up? What did you get?
Umbrella.
Me too.
Oh, good luck.
I'm going crazy. Watch this. I ain't never seen someone do this like me before.
Nice.
Like I just died in front of me so quick.
You do like a dotted line for it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, boy.
Done.
Oh yeah, boy. I see you right, bro.
Okay.
I'm the best cookie cutter to ever do it.
Man cuts cookies like a cookie cutter.
Yup. You're goddamn right.
Pro cookie poker. That's right.
Okay, I'm leaving. I'll join another one, and then you guys can join on me.
Let me fuck up this cookie.
This is my last Squid Game.
No.
Yeah, it is.
No.
Mhm.
I refuse.
Too bad.
Why do you hate me?
I say we go lay down and watch an episode of the actual Squid Game.
Oh, but trolling children is so much funnier.
Mm-hmm. We can do that all the time. But also, I have work in the morning. Some of us have to get up and go to work.
Kyle, where are you at?
Right outside the box.
Oh, there you are.
Here, I'll leave and rejoin.
Oh, did you get in?
No, I just finished my cookie.
Oh. Yeah, join on it. That's hot.
Oh, I thought you were about to let one out too.
Okay, in the box.
Oh.
I've been foxed.
We made it.
Fox, hop in. Are you in?
He's in.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm here. And I'm ready.
Yeah?
That's crazy.
I'm a blah.
Hey, Jelly Bean, you kind of cute.
You're here, right, Kyle?
I'm right here. Doing my spinnies. Oh, he's in here somewhere. I watched him jump in.
Yeah, I'm here.
I swear to God.
He swears to God.
I swear to Almighty God. The Almighty Squid Gods.
The Squid Gods.
Squid God.
Here's my handsome boy.
I'm right here, baby. His name is John Cena.
His name is John Squid Game.
Oh shit. Circle, square, triangle.
I'm really excited to hear this for the 4th time.
Me too.
How did we skip it last time? Oh, there we go. God.
You have to vote this again.
What's the game that you guys play where the game changes? It's kind of like this, but there's one where you throw snowballs at each other.
Crab
Oh, that's
game.
what it is. Yeah, I thought that's what this was.
No.
No.
Crab game's on Steam, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
You did not get this.
Do you want to see if I control more people in this game?
Yeah.
I'll wait till the 3rd green light. Or the 3rd red light. Oh.
Damn.
Oh
no.
I took a step
How
and I
did that
didn't
guy not
die.
die?
I didn't die. It wasn't me, by the way.
Green light. Green light. Green light. Green light.
That one person. The 3 people spamming green light was kind of crazy.
I know. Honestly, I've kind of noticed that. Like, these kids will find one meme on the internet and everyone will take off to the game to go do it.
Yeah, I'm one of those kids.
Yeah, well, that's, yeah. I mean, basically.
Fuck you.
Damn.
You literally were sitting in here after like 5 people said, I've played this game before, and you did it yourself. That's how I knew.
Yeah, because I've seen it on TikTok.
I'm literally telling you exactly.
I can't say that I've ever seen a Roblox video on TikTok before. And if this is gonna start it,
No, it's a quote from a scene from the 2nd season.
Yeah, but
Oh.
people on Roblox say it.
Yeah. Clearly. Hi, Shiro.
A big reason why I wanted to do it is because my friend Box, he made a video on it, and I was like, this is funny as fuck. I want to do it now.
You're just like these kids.
Yeah. That's what he logged into my CapCut to do, so he could make a fucking Roblox Squid Game video.
A circle. I'm so good at this.
Fuck.
They do, Hikari. They do. Hey, Fox, we're right next to each other. If I eat your cookie, would you be mad?
No.
Okay. You'd get shot for it.
Yeah.
Son. That's crazy, bro. No, bro.
I did it.
Bro got the Mona Lisa. That's crazy.
Done.
Come join me in the lobby, boy.
Well, I'm coming.
With pain and despair.
Looks fun, though. Yeah, it's all right. Oh my God, there's a Dan guy in here. You see this, Fox?
Oh my God, that's amazing.
Oh yeah, I saw him earlier.
Looks fun. Yeah, it is pretty fun. It's repetitive, though. It's the same shit over and over.
Yo, you're Joseph Joestar?
There's a bunch of like 9-year-olds talking about JoJo's in here. Your people are here, Yuva.
Yeah. You know it.
Yeah.
Still mad Fully Cooley lost in like the 16th round or whatever.
Dude, I'm telling you, isn't that crazy?
Wild. I refuse to get over it.
Wait, what?
In the anime bracket that Cody, R, and I did. Oh shit, I'm gonna fucking die.
Mm.
Oh my god.
What are we supposed to do here?
Just run around.
Yeah, run away because they can shank you.
How do I shank somebody?
Press 2 and then left
Yeah,
click.
press 2 and then left click.
Hmm.
That's why these kids don't have enough like object permanence to realize that I'm standing on this bed. They don't even look at me up here.
Oh, I'm looking.
Are you these kids?
Could be. Baby's kids.
Okay, I think I've seen Eva. Yeah.
Yeah, I saw Fox run by.
Yeah, I did too.
He has the zoomies.
Here he is. Let's go over this way. If it's a 2-person door, whoever doesn't get there, I'm sorry.
It's gonna be you.
It's probably gonna be me.
2.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Good luck.
I got in. We're in.
Favorite one is a strong set of words for this queen. Did you make it, Fox?
Yeah.
Let's go. What's the name? It's called Shrimp Game on Roblox. We did it. Look at us. Okay, let's go over this way.
Fox has died so many times that he still has experienced player, not a veteran.
2.
Oh.
Ooh.
Good luck, Fox. I believe in you.
No, he got in with me.
Oh, he did? Okay.
Yeah, he ran in right before you got in here. I just heard a kid whimper and then get shot.
Do you see why I like using the voice chat now?
And they got shot.
Do you see why I like using voice chat now?
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah, I mean, I ain't talking to him, but...
I've heard kids like baby rage.
Going to sleep. Okay, Hikari, thanks for chilling with us.
2.
I feel kind of bad because I told Shiro I was going to bed and now I'm here.
Yeah, well, you told all of us you were going to bed, and now you're here. So
That's true.
I
I did tell
think,
everybody I was going to bed.
I think Shiro's gonna have to deal.
Shiro, if you're still here, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to lie for the 3rd time.
I don't think Shiro cares.
I realize I don't work until 1 p.m., so I don't gotta go to bed yet.
Where do you work?
Grocery store.
No, fun.
Yeah, I work 1 to 7. And I also do like a side thing at a warehouse that my mom's friend owns.
Sick.
Temporarily before I move.
Oh my god, we made it.
You're not supposed to eat that yet.
Bad.
It gives you extra health in the final round.
Oh, well, I ate it. I don't need extra health.
I'm a veteran player.
Power.
Oh, this. Honestly, I love this one. I love just watching people, like, lose their patience.
Oh, wait. Fox, you got it.
Somebody here's gonna jump, right?
Green light.
It's not that way.
Yeah.
Who the fuck is whispering in my ear?
I don't know.
Green light. Oh, it's Kayak.
Blah. Blah.
Fly like a bird, I wanna fly away.
Damn, we're all just chilling, huh?
Yeah.
One of these kids will break eventually.
Yeah, probably.
See?
Baby, you got something in your nose. Sniffing that cake, did you feel the hole? Hope you find peace for yourself. New boyfriend ain't gon' feel the void. Do you even really like the crack? Take away the drugs, but you feel the noise. More and more you try to run away. You're fucking yourself, do you feel the toy?
I didn't know that was the lyrics.
I'm not sure it is. Oh my god. It's been right so much. Two minutes. Oh, not that one.
Ooh, it does not seem like it was right that time.
There aren't too many of us left either. Oh. And now there's even one less.
Ow. I just dropped my phone on my foot.
Oh, good job.
You. I dropped my butt pillow.
Roblox Balls 08's going crazy. Oh. Damn it, for what? We knew it wasn't that one.
Where did my phone go? Yo, Roblox Ball 08 is going crazy.
Yeah, he's fucking tearing this shit up. I got patience. I can wait. I don't care if I die on this glass. This is like the greatest game of chicken of all time. Come on, Roblox Balls. You're the prophet. You're the oracle. You know where to go.
الزق مشيخ هذا القلاوي داروا اتاي كباب النار وبيا لبسوني جلابيه باش نشوف حوريه باش نحوي جوريه
That is insane.
Okay, wait, Yuva, wait for me.
I got you.
Incredible.
Time to spend 70 Robux to revive.
You're welcome. I am your savior. Don't care.
Beat their ass.
I got you. I'll win.
I believe in you. Oh,
I just fell over. Ow! Get off me.
that don't look like winning to me.
Oh.
Damn.
They double teamed me, bro.
That's
What do you
not
expect?
winning.
Too bad.
Don't say too bad. I killed myself for you.
You know my response?
Yeah, too bad. Okay, I don't want to watch these two losers fight it out. Okay, that's my last Squid Game.
Hey, could you not hear that?
No.
That's so unfortunate. Come on.
Probably Discord.
Vivi.
I know exactly what that's referencing to. Ow.
His name was John Cena.
That was
Okay.
fun. I like
Yeah,
that. Thank
that
you for
was
playing
fun.
with me.
Yeah, of course. Thanks for the
Did you
invite.
just actually buy Robux?
No. No, fuck no.
I just saw a screen that said
might
thank you
have.
with a check mark.
Oh, it
He
said
might have.
it's because when I added my email, they gave me a free hat, and it said thank you, enjoy your free hat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go raid out to somebody. Yuva, if you want to watch an episode of our show, I'll catch you in Discord.
Okay.
Okay. Bye, everybody.
Guys.
Bye bye.
Chatters, chatting, doing the chat thing. Oop, wrong button. Hi. Thanks for streamies. Thanks for watchies. Oh, who's live? Huh? Who be live? Alice is live. Dun 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 dun. I'll raid into Alice. Why not? Raid. I feel like I don't ever get to raid into Alice anymore, so that works out perfect. There's your raid message, chat. All 6 of us are really gonna show up. We're gonna show up strong tonight. Tomorrow, Valorant with Yuva. That's gonna be exciting. I'm excited. It's gonna be a good time. I don't know what else for the rest of the week. Probably some Marvel Rivals at some point. I have to get to fucking gold. I have to get the skin. It's important. I have to make it happen. And then I don't know what else. We'll figure it out. I've been told that I'm using this model again tomorrow. We'll see, but we'll figure it out. On that note, I'm gonna let you watch this one last time before we head out.
I'm gonna give everyone.
Sounds fun.
Resistance.
Kyle! Hold on, I got raided.
Ferocious Hawkers as well. Armored.
Hi guys, and welcome. Thank you for the raid. How's your stream, Kyle? Thank you for coming in.
This time a supply team headed to shore.
Let me give you a shout out.
I need you to find their cargo and get it delivered. We need that place up and running.
Who? You're playing Roblox? What are we doing on Roblox?
Are they still refrigerated? Is the power out?
If you don't know me, I'm Alice Mindy. You can call me Alice. I'm a Dragon Quest Duelist VTuber, a variety streamer, but I mostly play Throne of Liberty and other games on the side. I was doing some Throne of Liberty, and then we decided to switch over to Back 4 Blood for a little bit. You're talked into playing a Roblox Squid Game? Is it better than Crab Game? I actually have never played Crab Game before. I was going to play it one time, but it was bugging out for the host, so we didn't play. Saikuna, thank you for the resub. Stinky resub.
Especially right now. This could just be the start. We've never seen the written thing.
Gonna need you to match my dark mode aesthetic, yeah. While we're in the dark. But yeah, thank you so much again for the raid. I hope you had a good stream. Hope the Squid Game was fun. Are you watching Squid Game? Because I know the new season is out, or it's coming out or something. I haven't watched it yet. I don't really watch shows too much. If you gotta take care of anything, do what you gotta do. We're just going through the campaign. This is my second time playing Back 4 Blood, so I'm still pretty